Retesting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. After done my duty, I come back here to provide you valuable informations. So today, what is my valuable informations and which, I will tell you. Okay, I would like to share with you all. Today, our content is radiology, medical equipment, X-ray. Okay, so X-ray related in these live sessions, I'm going to cover multiple valid points, and I'm going to focus biomedical engineers, freshers, juniors, understand, starting biomedical engineers candidate to even senior peoples also definitely will get more informations through my live sessions today. Radiology, medical equipment, X-ray. Okay, so every day I'm giving presentation in my live sessions, very clear points based on my experiences. Every point I'm going to show you. Okay, right. So listen to carefully what I'm saying, because of these all information is not available. And in these live sessions, I'm going to cover what? Radiology, medical equipment, that is X-ray machine. Okay. Here in X-ray machine, I'm not saying any make, model, manufacturer. Basics of what is the basics of X-rays and what are the basic complaints are X-rays. So those are things I'm saying. Okay. So based on manufacturers, make, model basis, I will give the next live sessions. Today, I want to give you basic informations about the radiology medical equipment, and which is complicated and which is demand, which is very critical also. Okay, so that's why please listen to carefully and see. First of all, let me introduce myself. Everybody knows very well, so let me introduce myself again, because of every day I have to introduce myself, because of that is very very important in this social media. Okay, right, come on, let me introduce myself. First of all, I am Ganesh, state regional manager. I'm operating state level operations biomedical engineering services. Okay, right. I have crossover multiple designations in medical hospitals, private, corporate hospitals, and government sectors. And I have worked as multiple designations also. I have crossover. Understand? And see, multiple types of medical equipments also I have provided the training and services, technical services, non-technical services. Everything we have provided and we have succeeded in my life. Yes, so that's why every point if I'm sharing you very very information, because of after done my duty, after I took the responsibility as a state level regional manager, now after completion of my duty I will come back here 9 p.m. So very very important, because of in my duty time I am leading multiple engineers, that is high qualified engineers, well experienced specialist. Okay, so that much capability very less time I got it. Means why? Because of everyday work is important, dedication is very very important, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. Okay, before enter into this topic, be alert, and if you have any work, just stop and keep one side, because of this type of informations you may not get it. What I give the promise, so based on the promise definitely I will come, I will give the valuable informations. Okay, right, I hope you are listening. Right, right, come on. So based on my experiences, so leading different engineers, I am giving the instructions, all things. That time I found many peoples and many situations I faced. So that's why equipment wise I'm giving. Okay, in every live sessions, 1000 plus live sessions I have aim daily without miss, definitely different different topics. Because of, in my point of view, every student is important for me, every engineer is important for me, every junior is very very important for me. Okay, everyone important for me, because of I don't ignore anyone. Everyone is very required. That's why every engineer should have a proper skills. Understand? Right, right, come on, let me enter into the topic today. Radiology medical equipment. Now I'm going to show you, give the presentation right now today, 1 to 2 hours, because of many informations I'm going to share with you all. Okay, listen to carefully. I'm clear, I'm talking very clearly. Yes, and whoever having issues, having fear about that is X-ray radiology machines. So I don't know, sir, how many days you have to say like that? Yes or no? So that's why, if today if you engage my live sessions, in this live session I'm going to cover lot of topics about the X-ray. Understand? Listen to carefully, because of pin to pin as a biomedical engineer, different types of situations we have to attend and we have to complete the resolve the issues. Understand? In biomedical engineering, medical equipment getting experience not only single year, single month, not possible. Minimum 1 to 5 years, it's needed. That is also depend on your dedication and interest and practice. If everything perfect, then only we'll get all things. Okay, right? Listen to carefully what I'm saying, because of, see, sir, you are saying this information, sir, but you are giving introduction. This is very, very important, my dear engineers. Right? Come on, let me continue. What's my session right now? Let me show you right now what I bring it for you today. My content thumbnail. What is the what? Because of, see, based on my topic, I will discuss only. I will try to give you all points. My intention, every pin to pin point which is necessary to all biomedical engineering career purpose, especially to perform your duty in time and successfully to resolve the issues purpose. I'm giving the instructions through my live sessions. Okay, my voice is clear right now. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Okay, whoever giving okay wishes, thank you so much. Let come enter into the professional way. Right? Come on. Right. Come on. Without waste of time, time is very valuable. See here. Here, valid points I'm going to share with you all. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. See here. Today, our content what? X-ray mission complete biomedical engineering masterclass. See, listen to carefully. Here, what I'm giving explanations about the X-ray mission. I'm not taking any manufacturers, any companies, any models. Okay, right now, because of my intention here, complete masterclass. What are the problems will come? What are the parts are there? And radiations, how much, and multiple way, more than 50 points. I bring it for you by adding my real-time hospital experiences. I will share with you all. Okay. So 3 4 presentations are there in this equipment, because of many topics I have to explain in this way. Okay, try to listen. I don't go any other topic. Just keep listen my voice and try to listen and get the points through my live sessions. Thank you so much. Continue. Okay, keep watch my right now. Now I'm going to read this here. First of all, in this live sessions, what I'm going to cover. Okay, what I'm going to discuss and what I'm going to give the information in this live session. See here. Live X-ray mission, complete biomedical engineering masterclass. Here I'm going to cover, see here, first of all, internal parts, electronics, and PM and QA questions and answers, and practical electricals and troubleshootings and AERB. Okay, services and preventive maintenance, quality assurance, AERB guidelines, troubleshooting, practical service. These are all things. More than these points, I'm going to escalate here. Okay, right? Come on. Today, what? Friday, date 3/7/2026, 9 p.m. As per I given the commitment, 9 p.m. I'm coming here. See here. Okay, right? Come on. Indian Standard Time. Now live training, real hospital, practical approaching. Okay. I hope you got it very clearly. First, see it here. First of all, catch my points. What I'm saying. Be alert. Life is very, very important, and professional life is very, very important. Every engineers are doing very well, excellent. I know, I recognize and appreciate also, but at the same time you have to focus your career. Understand? Career purpose, you have to engage my session, definitely will have a bright future, because of already I have achieved my life in this biomedical engineering. 18 years of experience successfully completed. Now top level category I'm leading at the state level, regional manager. I'm very proud of myself because of what I did, my hard work, everything. Today I got it. Okay, thank you so much. Keep engaged, and I hope you got it very, very well. Let me continue. See, in this live sessions, every pin to pin I will show you. First of all, I want to show you X-ray equipment how look like. Console room is there. X-ray room. What are the parts are there? How they are manufactured, decorate all things. Because of why needed everything. First of all, I will show the X-ray room and console room and everything pin to pin. I will show you, and what are the things with the label parts I will tell you. Next, what is the X-ray and what are the working principle, and every pin to pin I will tell you. Okay. Right, come on. I hope everybody engaging my live sessions. Is it clear? Let me continue, my dear engineers. I give respect. Okay, take respect, give respect. Very important. And come to the point right now. First of all, see here. This is my thumbnail, my content. If you see my thumbnail, how do you feel? Give me comment, sir. It is very interesting. How you feel? Just give me. Okay. Be freely. Be active. First of all. Okay. Proactive. Nothing to worry. Don't get panic. Anything. Let me give the informations. Okay, right? Very positively. Come on. Yes, I hope you are listening right now. Can I enter into this topic? Yes, come on, my dear engineers. Today, very valuable and expensive critical equipment we are going to learn and see. Right, come on. Today, I am going to see here, first of all, see, for give the presentation purpose, understand? To give the presentation purpose, so many things are important, and whoever completed your life in biomedical engineering, those persons only, those engineers only can give the explanation in this way, okay? Today, I am capable in practical way. I can do these services, I can provide the services, I can training the service students, engineers, and at the same time, I can lead the top level category as a state level engineer manager operations, okay? Right, come on, be careful and be alert. Life is very important. Now come here, my dear students. Let's see here. Just imagination, I am with you. Okay, we are in the X-ray room. Okay, see here. Is it clear right now? I will go slowly, then you can understand and you can catch my points. Okay, right, come on. In this presentation, see here, X-ray room how look like. This is the fixed X-ray. Okay, in X-rays, different types of X-rays are there. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the fixed X-ray. Right, come on. Here again and again, I am remind you here. I'm not saying any medical manufacturer basis. Many companies are there, Philips, Siemens, everything are there. Okay, but here I'm not taking any companies, any models, anything. Okay, just to come to the point and what are the basic things very important for new persons. Understand? Mainly this live session is very useful to all. Even senior engineer also should know, should watch it, and should get the information properly. Okay, right? Come on. Without time waste, we have to go there. Now see here, X-ray room setup. See here. Is it visible right now, my dear engineers? Listen to carefully. Is it clear? Now we are in the X-ray room. Okay. Imagination is very important and very beautiful in our life. Understand? Right? Come on. We are different states, different places we are staying, but we are by engaging live sessions, you will get a very valuable information. Yes, thank you so much. I need your support like that. If you encourage, let me continue right now. See here, if you are zero also nothing problem. Okay, I'm starting from zero to I will go to become a hero. Okay, right, come on. Now we are in the X-ray. These are the X-ray. See here, first of all, see, these all X-ray room. See here, I will tell you, I will read all points, everything. Here my intention is motivation and giving inspiration, and this was type. Actually, so many juniors are there. That time I will show all things in a practical way, but nowadays not possible because of everybody busy their life. So that's why don't blame anyone and try to focus on your career, whatever getting through my live sessions. Okay, right? I don't miss anything. Right? Come on. Is it clear right now, my dear? See, right? Come on. Okay. Again. I don't ask you. I will. Okay. I will. Let me continue right now. Keep watch my session. Now, see here. We are in the X-ray. First of all, okay. This is the X-ray room. Next, when go. Next, this is the console room. Okay. Why it is different? Because of X-ray is the radiation part. Understand? So radiation. How much radiation? Why radiations? Everything. I will tell you. And this live session is very important. Okay. Right. Come on. Now come here. In X-ray room, we are in the X-ray room. What are the things are there? X-ray room setup. See here. If you go any hospital, these are the basic principle of the hospital, and depend on companies, manufacturers, they will replace. Okay. Now come on. Real hospital environment how look like, because of, see, for example, students are there. Okay, engineers, freshers, and even senior biomedical engineers also. Even 10 years experience also, they may not have idea about the X-ray mission because of this is a unique specialist department. Understand? Not easy to get it all things, because if it is very busy area, and hospital also depend on this diagnosis only. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, my dear engineers, real hospital environment. See here, X-ray equipment. Okay, first of all, what? X-ray equipment. Completely this one, what? X-ray equipment. And next, see here, collimator. Collimator where? See here. Here I give the collimator arrow mark also. Understand? Collimator one, this one. Understand? X-ray, see. Collimator where? This is the collimator. If you take any model, any make, these are the basic things to X-ray, to do the X-rays purpose. Okay. We are in the X-ray room right now. Now, what are the parts are there? Why keep there? What is the importance? I will tell you by labeling the parts. And control panel, see here. Understand? Next, patient cable. Okay, patient table, what this is called, see, Bucky image receptor under the table. Okay, film and everything I will tell you. Okay, let me say, and Bucky image receptor, Bucky. Okay, next, high voltage generator. No, these all things. Whenever you get a complaint, then you have to be okay. Right? Come on. Next, see here, during X-ray exposure, what happens? Understand? So basic pin to pin, I will tell you. Please listen to carefully right now. Now see here, during X-ray exposure, what happens? Very, very important, because of we should protect our life also. Okay, right? Come on. X-ray tube emits high energy beam, and beam is collimated to required size. X-rays pass through patient's body. Image capture on bucket detector, and image appear on console monitor. Okay, these are the points what happens during X-ray, right? Right. Come on. Next, here see, X-ray situations, what, correct patient positioning and proper contouring. Okay, centering. Sorry. Next, correct collimation and appropriate exposure facts, KVMS, and patient immobilization and remove artifacts. Use of lead apron if required. Okay, so these are things. See, lead apron also, see, because of it is the protect from the radiations. Okay, in this way nobody give you explanation, my dear engineers. Okay, please listen to carefully, let me finish. Okay, next, see here, wall stand upright bucky. See here bucky we have, and here also this also upright bucky. Because of here we can place the films. Okay, like cassettes are there, cassettes we have to keep here. Because of the collimator we have to take the X-rays. Okay, everything pin to pin I will explain. First of all, I will show the all parts, all components, what are they available in the X-ray, and why functioning. Okay, now X-ray situations, these are the points. Now see here, this is the X-ray, and opposite only here mirror will be available. It is possible because of we have to see the patient, and technician will be the radiologist. Okay, so say that's the reason here their X-ray machine is there, and here console room is monitoring room. Okay, so that's why very, very important here, everything monitoring. And here mic also available, because of which position is needed, and which position required to take this scan, depend condition of the patient. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly, my dear engineers. Right, come on, let me continue right now. And see here, exposure in process, and express, see, exposure in progress, X-ray on situation, how. Here see, everything, if take X-ray, both we can monitor. Understand? And here see, everything available. Now this is the digital X-ray. Okay, now see here. Now first first you got it very clearly right now. This is the X-ray room. What are the things, the X-ray room set up like this? Okay, right, come on, come with me right now, I will show you. Now come here, we are in the console room. Understand? Listen to carefully. Console room, control area, we are. Okay, the imagination, because of I am with you, we are the practical way, then I am show you. Okay, now see here, X-ray on situation. See, X-ray on also we will see here all things, and see emergency switch also there, and many things I will tell you, everything pin to pin point I will explain. Right, see here. Next, here caution radiation area. See here, this type of symbols, anything you should be careful, and I will share with you all that is valid informations I will tell you. Okay, that's why I'm saying multiple information, so you will get it. If you are zero also, no problem. If you are a junior also, no problem. If you are a senior also, if you not have any idea, nothing. Okay, no issue, and try to be positive, get it all things. Okay, right, come on, see here. See, every system is in. See here, these are the console room here. Because of console room is separate from the X-ray room. Because of in X-ray, why? Because of radiation room. Radiation very dangerous to our healthy life. And in which way dangerous? I will tell you. I will show you points. I will give the points. And upcoming now in this session only, many topics we will have. Okay, right? Come on. Now typical exposure. See here. See, first of all, basic things everybody should know. And as a biomedical engineer, repairing services also, I will tell you, I will share with you all. Because of different times, what we face with the problem, what we have to resolve, what we have to take precautions about the X-ray. That is very, very important to know all biomedical engineers. Okay, Right, come on. Now I am speaking with you, regional manager Ganesh sir. Now come here. Typical express here. I am showing here presentations here. Right side, see in the presentation, it is visible right now. I am talking very clearly right now. Yes, come on, come to the point. Typical X-ray see here. Is it clear? See, typical X-ray workflow. Because of a complete workflow, how process are there. Because of these are the process very important to know. Understand? Right? Come on, let me say what are the workflow in your X-ray room. Okay, the complete technician, doctor, patients, and between what are the things are there, and those are things not our job. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, we have to monitor the equipment, that is X-ray. Now come here. This is the one of the part to know the about the biomedical engineering skills. When you do the work, then only you come to know. Okay, right? Come on. Typical exposure workflow. See here, let me say, first of all, patient positioning. Okay, these all things who will do? Technicians are there, radiologists are there, doctors are there. They will do all things, not biomedical engineer. Okay, but as a biomedical engineer, whenever not got complaint, then up to their maximum 90% technicians will handle, because of almost they have experience. But as a biomedical engineer, if any time problem come, then you will get a panic also, because of lot of pressure, lots of patients also waiting for the x-rays. So that's why should be careful what I'm saying and try to listen all thing. Okay, now see here, first position, see patient positioning. Next one, what? Select technique, KVMAS. Okay, where have to select, I will tell you. Okay, because of block diagram, everything I bring it for you, I will explain. Now first of all, see here, what are the process? Select technique, KVMAS. See, depend on condition of the patient, what intensity needed, what required, what KV required, the technician will decide, and they will keep these all things. Okay, next, set collimation and centering. Because of the collimator, what? This is the collimator. Okay, so centering means where have to exposure, there we have to keep position. Understand? That is very important. And leave room or close door. Okay, this is very important. Next, confirm X-ray on. And you listen or not, in X-ray room and ICUs also, sometimes X-ray technicians, radiologists, yes, X-ray on, exposing, X-ray on, exposing. Why they are giving introduce? Because of this is very important to protect. Because of already the technician already wear like apron, lead apron. Lead apron is protecting from the radiations. Yes or no? Yes. Now confirm X-ray on, X-ray exposure done. Let's check image on the monitor. Okay, these are the simple process every day, regular process. These are the new points if you are a new person, but whoever doing their job, that is practical way, practice job. Okay, right. See here, check monitor means where here their x-ray doing. That is why we are in the technical updated society, so we have to know, we have to be update our health important. Okay, right, come on, I hope you got it. Now we are where? X-ray. Now after that, what we will go, what is x-ray, sir? What is the working principle, sir? So every day, one to step we will go. Okay, come on, engage with me right now. So these all things X-ray. Okay. First of all, here see safety first. Follow ALARA principle and use radiation protection and maintain distance. Use shielding. And important notes, what? Always verify patient details and check exposure factors before exposure. And see, ensure no one is in the room during exposure. See, this is very important, my dear engineers. Because why I am saying again and again important, because of X-ray is the radiation part of the equipment. Okay, so we have a bright future. If anything happen, we will have to face many problems. That's why should be careful before doing the X-ray time. Okay, now what? Ensure no one is in the room during exposure and use proper positioning and immobilization. Okay, common X-ray exams, what? See here, chest X-ray, abdomen and spine, and extremities. Okay, but depend condition of the patient, how to take the x-rays. Okay, I hope you got it full information about this one. Let me continue right now, because of I brought for you all and very valuable information upcoming right now. Okay, first of all, see here. Okay, before going to this topic, now first of all, see, this is the x-ray room and what are the parts are there, how freaks are there. If you go to the hospital also, I am talking about the trainee students are there, freshers are there. See, you have a bright future, nothing to worry. Okay, I'm a junior sir, I'm a fresher sir. Don't think like that. You are a skillful engineer. You think like that because of whatever you think, you will become like that. That ambition should be high. Okay, I will be there to support you all peoples right now. Okay, right. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Right, I will go next slide. Come on, let me engage right now. Because of see, I am not a basic YouTuber. I am a qualified like SSC, BPC, SDBM, Special Diploma in Electronics, and Bachelor of Technology in Biomedical Engineering. Okay, next MBA hospital. So all qualifications completed in 18 years of experience, valid experience. That's why today I decided to give you all information. Okay, right? Come on. So I hope you got it right now. Right? Come on. I will go next slide. See, these all many more informations by based on my experiences. I bring it for you all because of I want to give you more informations and valid informations by using my live sessions. You should do perform your duty, okay? And you should do perform your duty. You should get a high salary and you should grow your career. So now I'm going to explain here X-ray equipment complete biomedical engineering guide. Okay. So whatever I had experience in my life in as a biomedical engineer technician, senior biomedical engineer, as a journal manager, deputy manager. So what things I have experienced in this my life sessions completely I will tell you. Okay. And for next coming live sessions, I will take a manufacture, make, model, what you have, depend on comment, comment, I will give you. Okay. Now come on. X-ray equipment complete guide. I'm talking about this. Now come here. First of all, we will see this equipment. There directly we saw there in the X-ray room. Okay, what are the equipments are there? Here deeply. I will tell you right now. See here. First of all, I will see the first of all equipment picture. Okay. Why I am saying because of anyone, every senior also, junior also, anyone should have a basic knowledge of medical equipment. Okay. Every pin to pin, I will tell you. If you have any doubt, just give me comment. I will give the reply through your live sessions. Okay. Right. Come on. Let me continue. Keep watch my session. Now, what I'm showing here, see here, see parts, main parts of X-ray with labels. Okay. See, in this way, why I bring it? Because of in work area, not possible to show all things. Because of even not enter in the X-ray room also. That's why I decided to give you. Okay, my dear engineers, please listen to carefully. Okay. Right. Come on. And based on a model, I will bring it next live sessions. Okay, let me finish right now. Today I am giving the all basics of the X-ray. Next I will take manufacturers, make, model, everything I will bring it. Okay, surely. Right, come on. Now main parts here I want to show you first of all. So these all things, why main parts I'm saying, because of these are the major leading in this medical equipment X-ray. And if you take any fixed X-rays, these are the main basic points. Ma'am, a company will change, make, model will be changed, but if it that is the reason medical equipment we have, that is radiology medical equipment, that is X-ray. Okay, right? So come here, see here, X-ray tube assembly. See here, this one. Okay. Next, these are labeling parts. I'm going to read because of sometimes it is not visible. Sometimes may not understand. That's why in my live sessions, I'm going to give you presentation different ways, different ways. One is presentation way, giving the presentations, the notes, everything. And one second thing is real-time hospital experiences. And third thing is whatever real needed required skills for the medical equipment. Okay, as a biomedical engineer. Let's come to see the equipment right now. First of all, X-ray assembly. Okay, assembly. See here. Is it clear right now? Right. Come on with me. Right. Collimator. See here. Sample purpose, understanding purpose. I'm saying here. Okay. And see generator console unit. Next control panel. Next patient table and bucket grid. Okay. Digital detector, image receptor. And see here, these are the main parts. And now every point, see here, X-ray tube how look like. For sample purpose I'm saying here, but depend on make, model, it will be varied and it will be different looking also. Practical way it is different, but I'm trying to give you basic confident about the medical equipment, because of with so many engineers may not have idea about the X-ray machines, radiology equipments, and at the same time may not have confident also. Okay, in my live sessions I will give the full informations. At the same time I will give the confirmations and clarity about the equipment. Okay, right, come on. X-ray tube internal parts here: stator, rotor, tungsten anode plus, okay, and X-ray beam useful, and glass envelope, and filament cathode minus, okay, focusing cup. These are the basic things, okay. First of all, see it here for knowledge purpose. I'm saying here, and collimator, see here. Collimator where there, okay. So in every X-ray, collimator is the basic part of that make equipment, because of, see here, why? Light localizer and shutter blades and lid shielding and filter aluminum. These are the parts, okay. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes. Now come here. So first of all, what we learn all things in this live session. First of all, how look like X-ray and how look like console. In X-ray, what are the parts are there? Why placed there? Next completed. Next equipment wise we come. Okay. Next come here. What is X-ray? I'm going to zoom here. Okay. Please keep here. Many points I'm going to share here. Please engage my live session. Very interesting topic I'm going to say here. And see, definition what is X-ray? If somebody asks you, what is X-ray means what? Now I'm going to read this one. See here. X-ray mission is a medical imaging device that uses X-ray ionizing radiation to produce images of the internal structure of the human body for diagnostic purpose. Okay. Simple method, understand? So diagnostic purpose, what is the which type of equipment? Radiology equipments all are diagnostic. Diagnostic means what? To find out the issues in our body. So by using this X-ray machine, what we'll do? So what are the problems in bones, bones and fractures, anything happen? So then we can do the scan and we can get the proper information purpose X-ray. Okay. So this is the definition of the X-ray. I hope you got it. See, these all information is in my live sessions. Multiple ways it is very, very useful. Okay. First one is you have to face the interviews, and second one is you can do perform your work, and third one is you can give the user train to the hospital, and fourth one is you can grow your career through my live sessions. Okay. Now first point is definition completed successfully right now. Now come here. See, these all things I'm giving the presentation purpose. I bring it you all, but these all the practical knowledge only. But I want to give the presentation, so I searched and I created my content in this way. Okay, right? Come on, and who I will give you live sessions and other lectures. Okay. Now types of X-ray machines. See here. One by one, step to step, I'm going. Listen to carefully. Types of X-ray equipment, radiology medical equipment. What? Number 1 point is fixed radiology system. Number 2, mobile portable X-ray system. And number 3, CM X-ray system. Number 4, dental X-ray system. Number 5, mammography system. Number 6, fluoroscopy system. Number 7, DR digital radiography system. Number 8, CR computed radiology system. See, these all types of X-rays we have. Understand? But these all types of X-ray not available in this image. Okay. Only I'm talking about the fixed X-ray purpose. Okay. I will bring it another live sessions, different topics. I will give you explanation. Okay. Now, without confuse, let me continue right now. This is the types of X-ray for your knowledge purpose. I'm sharing here. Right. Come on. Be patient and try to listen. Keep watch my channel right now. What I'm saying. Right. Come on. Fourth point. See here. Point wise I have divided, because of then will be clarity, and here my intention is should get the information. Understand? Right. Now come here. Purpose of X-ray. So every step to step you have to learn, you have to go, otherwise you will get a panic and you will get a fear. No, I'm not interested, because of you will get forget sometimes. So that's why my YouTube channel, my live sessions available, nothing to worry. Multiple times also you can watch my live sessions. Okay. Right. Come on. And purpose of X-ray, let me say first of all, is it clear my voice? What I'm talking? Is it clear? Right. Come on. Diagnosis fracture. See here. Purpose of X-ray. What is the purpose of X-ray? Okay. Listen to carefully what I'm saying. I'm going to read out now. Purpose of X-ray, number 1 point is diagnose fractures, infections, okay, and tumors, foreign bodies. First point. And second point, chest, dental, orthopedic, abdominal imaging. And third point, fluoroscopy for real-time imaging. Okay. And fifth point here, fourth point, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fourth point, guiding interventional procedures. So these all purpose of X-ray. These are the points. Okay. That's why I'm again and again saying basics of all X-rays. I'm giving informations. Okay, right? Come on, fourth point. I will tell you right now. And very electrical electronic parts also I will tell you. Please keep watch my session. Many valuable points I will be there. I will be adding here. Now come here. Working principle. Every biomedical engineer listen to carefully. Now we are discussing about radiology, medical equipment, X-ray, fixed X-ray. Now working principle. What simple is here? See, when I'm saying, you may not understand because of starting person, because of these all points which I'm giving in practical way. When you face the problem, then only you come to know and get the values. Okay. Now get the point through my live sessions right now. When high voltage is applied across the X-ray tube, electrons are emitted from the cathode, accelerated towards the anode, and when they strike the tungsten target, X-rays are produced. Okay. See, in any equipment, we have to catch the point, important points. So, what I bring it for you in this live session also, very, very important point to run your duty as a biomedical engineer. That is the reason to share with you all. Okay. And see here. Next here, these X-rays passes through the body and are captured by the detector to form an image. Okay, there only we can get the printout like films like okay. Right, see here. These are the working principle. I hope you got it. Listen to carefully and can write down and keep in your mind. Whoever want to be a specialist in radiologist. So before, if you have aim, for example, you want to become a specialist in X-ray. Okay. So then what happened? What have to do? Starting situations, you have to focus all things. Okay. Right. Come on. Now, sixth point, see here, it is visible right now. Working operations. Working principle, successfully I have shared with you. Next, sixth point, see here. Working operation, select patient and position. Okay, there I have explained there in X-ray room. Okay, these things who will do? The technician, radiologist will do. Okay, so select patient and position and select exposure factors, yeah, KVP and MAS, and set SID, the source image destination, okay, distance, and collimator to area of the interest, and make exposure press switch, and image appears on detector or console. Analyze the image. Sir, why need to know this working operation, sir? If you ask me, because of as a biomedical engineer, what happens sometimes, equipment not working, but many patients are there, but their technician also busy. Then you have to operate the equipment. So that's why you should know as a biomedical engineer should keep in keep skills all things whenever required, then try to utilize. Okay, right? Because of in medical field, whenever we get a complaint, we cannot imagination. Understand? Even if you have a 10 years of experience in medical field also, you don't imagination whenever getting problem, because of whenever coming patients, which conditions we don't know, at some people's accidents coming and different situations, they're coming to the hospital to take the treatment. Okay, so to take the treatment before diagnose the issues. That is the reason X-ray is the very important of the hospital. Like marketing and business and every multiple way, X-ray is the very important. That's why whenever you get a complaint about the X-ray, don't neglect, don't ignore, and keep first priority. Okay, if you do not have any idea, you may not have idea, then immediately try to share with your seniors. Okay, let's come on. Let me continue. Keep watch my right now. Seventh point, see here. Radiation principle, see here. Now working principle I have explained, and radiation, see, that's why saying, see here, X-ray equipment is the radiation part. Okay, so radiation, how much what is the principle, everything I will tell you, show you right now. Come on. And X-rays are a form of electromagnetic, see, electromagnetic radiation, and wavelength 0.01 to 10 nm. And see, produced what? When fast electrons decelerate at the anode, and see, governed by Inverse square law and attenuation law. Okay. See, these all things, if I say, you may not understand, but these all things, when you do the practical works, then everything come to understand. Okay. These are the 7 point what? Radiation principle. I'm talking about all X-rays, all types of X-ray, basic things I'm giving here, masterclass live. Okay, right. To give the awareness about the radiology, that's why please try to learn and try to be perfect and try to be alert right now. And see, an oil tank, if oil cooled system, see here. oil tank inside, but many engineers not possible to see these all things because of, so oil tank only depend on some companies only manufacture, not engineers, because of for that purpose specific equipment is required. Now let me say what are the points are there inside. I will tell you right now. See here, 8 point. Use it for heat dissipation from X-ray tube, and oil capacity depends on tube rating, and check oil level regulatory, and oil type insulating soil specified grade, and overheating causes tube failure. Okay. See why I'm giving this information, because of many X-rays having a tube failure. Okay. So tube failure means why happen means these situations may be happen. Okay, so maximum junior engineers are not ready to listen, not ready to perfect, because of their intention is different, because of something happen is always they are getting fear. So that's why try to remove fear from your mind, and try to listen my voice. Now come here. Ninth point say collimator uses. So before I shown in this like X-ray room, collimator is see, collimator is the very important. I am saying. Okay. Now, what are the uses of collimator? Listen, limits the C of the X-ray beam. Okay, next to reduce patient's dose and improves image quality and prevents unnecessary radiations. This is the very important, because of interviews they will ask you what are the uses of collimator. So simply you have to say, sir, simply reduce patient dose, sir, improves image quality, sir, prevents unnecessary radiation, sir. These are the enough you are selected. Okay, right. So like that, that's the reason main points you have to catch, because of, if you take any medical equipment, you will get a lot of equipment, lot of points. For only one medical equipment purpose, one book will be there. Understand? Because of Kanpur book, one like biomedical engineering time, what all books are there we have in college time, but what are the important points we have to collect it. That is the difference between like topper, like sleeper. Okay, right, come on. Now ninth point completed. Now come here. Ninth point. Now 10th point, come here. See, actually, I want to give you complete guide through my live sessions. That's why I bring it for you all. I hope it is clear right now. Come on. Now see here, console room unit, what things are there. In console, see here, it is visible right now, my dear engineers. Here you can see, here this is the console unit. Okay. So in console unit, what are the features are there, and everything I will tell you right now. See here. In console unit, KVP selection, MA, see, these all things load. Okay, these are the load in internal load, based on load only we have to give the exposure. Okay, these all things parameters technicians they have, and based on the condition of the patient they will changes the settings. And how much required I will tell you right now. And first one, KVP selection in console unit. See here, listen to carefully. And MES time selections and exposure switch and display panel and error indicators and APR options and AI options. See here, these are available in these sessions. Okay, right. Radiation hazards here. These are, see, very important thing. What now? What I'm saying? These are the parts are available. X-ray, and X-ray is the what are the important and working principles and everything. I'm going to say. Okay. I hope you got it right now. 10th point completed. Okay. Now come here. Now 11th point come here. This is the very important point. See here, because of as a technical biomedical engineer, everybody want to know these all things. See here. I'm going to zoom this. Then it is visible right now. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Come on. Exposure ranges and specifications, very important. Listen to carefully. These are the very basic points, very important. And see, depend on manufacturer, depend on capacity of the X-ray, then it will be vary. Okay, and don't compare with your equipments, because of I'm not giving any make model. That is complete universe basis I'm giving. And parameters range and the typical values. See here, KVP, see here, ranges in X-ray 40 to 150 KVP, and the typical value 60 to 120 KVP. Okay, because of, see, if to expose the X-ray, so based on the bones based on the condition of the patient, then they will select these parameters. Okay, so what are the parameters are there? I will tell you. See here. Now KVP this much. Next to MA. See, yeah, MA, see here, 100 to 500 MA and 100 to 300 MA typical values. Here in between, whatever needed based on the condition of the patient, they will apply. Okay. For knowledge purpose, for basic information purpose, exposure ranges and specifications are very important to know as a biomedical engineer. Because of, as a biomedical engineer, you should know these all things. Actually, when you study time, then only you got all things. But study time, you may forget. Understand? That is the reason. See, in college life, job life is completely different. What I'm giving here informations, everything based on my real time hospital experiences, 18 years of experiences. Okay, right? Come on. Exposure time, see here, 1 to 1000 ms and 10 to, see here, 500 ms, and focal spot size 0.6 or 1.2 standard. Okay, next, tube voltage ripple, see here, see less than, see here, less than or equal. Okay, 5% and good. And filtration 2.5 to 4.0, see ai standard. And source in image distance 100 to 200 centimeters, 100 or 180 centimeters. See, these are the parameters you try to keep in your mind. What I'm giving all informations, these all informations for basics. Understand? So if you know these all things, if you keep all points in your mind, then only you have to go to the repairing, servicing, diagnosis, because of lot of things are there. So basic things for every biomedical engineer is impossible. See, one senior specialist, X-ray specialist there, he resolved the issues. He is capable. Why he is capable? Because of he got experience, different types of complaints, attend, practice, learn, and interest. So one day he got a successful X-ray specialist. Okay. So why X-ray specialist we calling? Because of whoever can do the services, can do diagnosis, can resolve the issues of the medical equipment, of the all issues, then he will become a specialist. Understand? So in the point of my view, every day you have to learn, you have to grow your career, and you have to focus your life. My intention. Understand? Right? See here, any boring topic I'm not discussing here. These are the very valid point. When you come to know, when you come to do these services as a biomedical engineer, then only these are the importance you can find out. Okay, right? Come on, before I give the informations, then you will be safe and you will lead your life excellent. I'm expectation, right? These are things single day not possible, day to day it will be happen. Okay, right? Come on, 12th point, see here, radiation key points. Very, very important. Listen to carefully. That's why every point I'm going to share with you all, because of very, very important points. These all points today I'm capable means why? Because of after getting experiences, real time faces, the many complaints I have faced. That's why today I want to give you these all informations. Okay, right. See here, 12th points here, radiation key points of the radiology equipment. What? X-ray. And see, now I'm talking about the fixed X-ray. Harmon in high doses. See here, radiation key points. Very, very important. And harmful in high doses and causes tissue damage, cancer, and genetic effects. Follow Alara principle as low as reasonably achievable. Okay, that's why Alara principle is very, very important, and those principles available in X-ray room also. The every technicians they have. Otherwise, try to search in Google, then definitely will get a points. Okay, better. My advice, before enter into the X-ray, then you should coordinate to the technician, radiologist. Maximum problem, your maximum information you will get from them. Okay, that's why my advice. What? As a biomedical engineer, provide the services, at the same time maintain the good communication face value with all people. It's very, very important. Okay, right? Come on, and use shielding and collimation filters and maintain equipment regularly. That is the reason. See here, for every equipment purpose, different equipment have a different conditions and SOPs are there. Okay, we should follow, no doubt at all, because of if not follow, we may get a problem, not others. Understand? That's why we should be careful. We should take care about our life, right? Come on. So I hope you got it. 12th point, radiation key points. Okay, let come on. What I'm sharing, please listen to carefully. See the time taken, because of I want to dedicate this valuable time. I want to give you valuable informations. Why high radiations? These are the questions. See, these all points I bring it for you all, because of what I have question in my mind. Those questions I bring it, and answers also. Okay. So whoever thinking about the medical, like radiology medical equipment, these type of doubts should have come. Okay. Then only you can improve your career. Then only you will get a resolution for every problem. Right? Come on. See, 13 points here. Why high radiations? High kvp and ms, okay, and long exposure time, and large field size, and no filtration, and tube leakage, and no shielding. That is the reason high radiations coming. Why reason? These are the points are very, very important. Okay. Next, come to the 14th point. Why wear lead apron? Understand? So these are the questions. So when you may get a doubt because of you are the junior, you are the fresher, then definitely you will have a doubt. You should get a doubt. Otherwise, you are not a biomedical engineer. Okay. Every biomedical engineer is learning and practice and how they become a biomedical engineer because they raise their doubts in this way. Okay. Whoever raise their doubts and whoever follow the answers, whoever practice in a practical way, those persons today, they are the biomedical engineers. Radiology. Okay. Right. Come on. Now, why we are led upon? See here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. I hope you are listening. You are engaging. Right. Come on. And lead apron 0.25 to 0.5 mm PB and absorbs scatter radiation. Okay. And protects gonads and thyroid and bone marrow and reduces radiation risk to safe levels. Okay. Simple. These are 3 points very, very important and try to keep in your mind. Okay. See, these all things full explanation I'm giving, but in this, whatever required points, so try to catch in your mind and try to keep in your mind. Okay. Right. Come on. Let me continue next. See, why wear lead apron? See, here I'm trying to give you what is the what question and what is the answers and what are the points I'm trying to give you, and I will show you right now. Okay. Right. Come on. Why TLD recommended? Yes, this is the very, very important, my dear engineers. Whoever working in hospitals, so definitely every biomedical engineer definitely should have TLD recommended. Okay, TLD why? And that is also quarterly basis, half yearly basis, like as per schedule, terms and condition basis, we have to replace the TLD that company or that hospital management have to replace all things. Okay, because very, very important radiations, it is the radiation detector and very, very helpful to exposures monitoring. Okay, see here what is what, why TLD recommendation? This is the question. Why TLD means what? Thermoluminescent dosimeter. Okay, measures personal radiation dose. This TLD badge I also have. Okay, when when I was at engineer time, like when I worked in corporate hospitals, like large corporate hospitals, I have a badge also, TLD badge. Every time, last moment also I have as a up to deputy manager, general manager, up to I have. But when I come to deputy manager and regional manager, then maximum no need to touch the equipment. We have to give the instructions to the biomedical engineer to resolve the issues and to guide the team. Okay, that much capability we have to. That in my way, what every day I'm focusing my career. That's why every day I'm growing my career and I'm getting it up categories in biomedical engineering services. Okay, right? Come on, friendly biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. Now, why TLD means here. Now, see, first point is I read it. Next, second point here, helps monitor exposure. Okay, actually TLD badges purpose a proper explanation they will give you. Proper instructions also very, very important. How to use and where to keep and exposure areas we should not keep. So many rules and regulations we should follow. Okay, and some points we cannot escalate here because of those are confidential things. And see here what I am escalating here, what I am discussing here. Universally, every biomedical engineer should know these all skills. Somewhere some people's some miscommunication purpose they may not get a proper knowledge and proper guidance from the seniors. So that's why that gap between that gap distance I want to cover through my live sessions. Okay, so but here see job confidential thing, our office matters, anything we cannot escalate here. Okay, those are the confidential thing we should give the confidence because of our life is important. Now, ensures safety compliance. See here, these are the very, very important why TLD recommended. I hope you got it very clearly, my dear engineers. Listen to carefully. And these all information, sir, nobody ready to give you because of this is the competitive society. So what I'm sharing, these all points are, every point is very, very important. Right, come on. 14th point, see here. Now 13 points completed. Now, see. Total 15 point completed, sorry. 15 point TLD recommended also completed, see here. Now come here. 16th point, see. See, these all I prepared notes for because of I am very excited to all people. Okay. Because of 12 million views reached my YouTube channel. That is the reason today I'm giving information. Okay. Right. Come on. And I have a excellent engineers also in my team. Hundreds of engineers. That's why everyone should have a proper knowledge. Actually, in our duty time, we may not have time because of we have to do these services works. It's our great responsibility, our job. Then only we will get a salary based on your designations. Right? Come on. 16th point, see here. AERB and QA, is it mandatory? Understand? So these are the mandatory or not? So if question you, these are the very, very important. Without AERB certifications and quality assurance, not recommend to use the medical equipment, because of whenever getting problem, it is a very critical high radiations equipment. So many problems will come to face, and that is the reason don't recommend without AERB certifications. Okay, mostly 99 100% all hospitals they are maintaining these all things, because of these are the basic thing. Right? Come on. Yes, mandatory in India. Okay, I'm talking about India. Okay, but that's why I'm saying biomedical engineering is the globally. But when I'm talking about this topic, AERB for only India purpose. Yes, mandatory in India. Okay, and AERB approval required for installation, and QA ensures image quality and safety, and must follow AERB safety standards. And biomedical engineers for the to do these services also long space requirement anything that like manufacturer companies also they recommend QA reports and AERB certificates. Understand? These are the very, very important. And please keep in your mind, because whenever you have a point, then immediately don't ignore it. Try to share with your seniors. Okay. Next, 17 points here. What is AERB? Okay. Till now, what I'm saying, AERB is mandatory, I'm saying. But what is AERB, sir? Why needed, sir? So basic doubt definitely will come. That's why I will give the clearance about this one. See here. And what is AERB? Understand? And see, AERB means what? Atomic Energy Regulatory Board is a regulatory body in India under DAE responsible for radiation safety in medical industrial research applications. Understand? These are the research center globally. Okay, not only country. Okay, it is a global international level we have. So this is the AERB. Okay, what is AERB? You got it very, very clearly right now? Yes, come with me right now. What is QA? So these are the questions, very, very important. Every point is very, very important as a biomedical engineer. See here, my advice. What one more thing? First 1 to 5 years, you have to focus on your career, like skills important, basics, and whatever you want to become a specialist. So technically, everything is try to perfect within 5 years. Okay. After 5 years, you focus on, if you're confident, you have got a promotions, everything, then you have to focus after 5 years, you have to focus on sixth year managing level. Okay. Right. Come on. Now, I'm going to read out what is QA. Okay. Quality assurance. Understand it is visible clearly? Right? Come on. What is QA? Quality assurance ensures that the equipment consistently produces good quality images with minimum radiation and is safe for patient and operator. See, for QA purpose, separate tool equipments we should have that radiology technical person they may not have, because of these are things definitely AERB providers separate third parties, otherwise like some original manufacturer companies they will provide. Okay, easily not get anywhere these all things, right? These are expensive also, right? Come on. So what is QA? You got it right. Come on. 19th point. And preventive maintenance. See here, preventive maintenance is very, very important to reduce the complaints and to maintain the reliability of the equipment life. Understand? So why we are here as a biomedical engineer? Why appointed the biomedical engineer? Why needed the skilled engineer for the medical equipment? Because of to maintain the equipment reliability and good next instant services, because of whenever getting problem and at any situations will come, but we have to face it and we have to catch the problem, we have to find out the problem, we have to diagnose the issues, and technical non-technical whatever it is, at the end of the day we have to resolve the issues. That is our great responsibility as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right? Come on. So preventive maintenance, see here, daily clean check cables visual inspection. Okay, it's very, very important. I will recommend you, because of daily, for example, you are a biomedical engineer, you are working in hospital, so every hospital maximum 1 or 2 x-rays will be there. So high and high corporate level means there are a lot of x-rays more than 10-20 also they will have, because of that much patients are coming, because of per day thousands of patients are coming to diagnose the x-rays. Okay, so that's why see, daily cleaning check means you have to give the instructions, the technician. Some cleanings no need to do you as a biomedical engineer. So like cleaning, like out of cleaning everything, but whenever in internal cleaning, you have to check all things. But many times what happen, that time also not available, because of from 8 o'clock only hospital start and patients are waiting up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, continuous busy. Okay, so that's why whenever possible try to communicate with a radiologist technician, so 99% problem will clear. Okay, right, come on. And see, clean, check cables, visual inspection, preventive points I'm saying. Okay, actually preventive maintenance 6 months basis and quarterly, half yearly and yearly depend on equipment. Okay, next weekly basis here check collimator light filters, and monthly check kvp and ma accuracy, and quarterly check aec timers alignment, and annually qa tested dosimetry calibration. See, these are things, how to check it you should know. Okay, these all points I will tell you in this. Okay, keep watch my rights live sessions right now. Very valid points I'm going to share here. Okay, come on, be energetic. See, now 9 o'clock started and now 1 hour completed, but I am very excited, curiosity to give you all informations because of what I fixed to give you. Definitely good commitment is very very important, right? 19th point. See the in this live sessions I'm giving a lot of information, to keep in your mind. That is not possible single time. Try to learn, try to practice day to day. Okay, and multiple times to try to watch my sessions. Definitely will get a great points, which is necessary to improve your biomedical engineering services. Okay, right, come on. Now 20 points here. Regular problems here. Regular problems. So as a biomedical engineer, from X-ray room, see, these are the problems are say no X-ray output, and low image quality, and kvp or mea fluctuations, and collimator light not working, and AIC not functioning, and overheating or error codes. See, these are things when we'll get, when we say regular problems, because of that equipment is going to old. Okay, minimum X-ray mission minimum 10 years is the minimum. Okay, so that is the lifespan, that is the quality, because that is also you provide the preventive maintenance quality qa reports and aerb certifications properly done, then we can say 10 years exactly. Some few equipments are still 18 years also working, but whenever getting problem, then it will get a major issues. Yes, now come to the point, regular problems. So that's the reason every day if you monitor, these regular problems may not rise in your hospital. Okay, that is your responsibility. Whenever getting a complaint, nobody say you, because of you are the responsibility, because of you have paid, depending on your designation. That is the reason whenever get a complaint, then you may aware what is the use of that. Okay, so that's why if you engage my live sessions, you if you know these all points, at least prevention is better than that type of points. You will get it and you will awareness. Okay, right, come on. Next 20 points. See here, regular point, 20 point completed. Next, first of all let me explain, and I will come to the like your comments I will engage. Okay, first of all complete right now, my dear engineers, I hope you understand. Now 21 points. See here, block diagram of X-ray principles. See here, very clearly I'm saying here. See, to get the point purpose, the block diagram I'm giving here for knowledge purpose, and these are the things to understand the concept purpose, because of every point is very very important. At what situations it will come, we have to find out. Okay, here why I bring it block diagram of X-ray principle, because of I have given their point, X-ray principle here. See here, what is the functions here? X-ray main supply and line connect conditioner. See, and high voltage transformer and rectifier and X-ray tube. See here, and what are the parts here? I'm going to say, because of see here, when I'm going to give the live sessions about the make, model, manufacture basis, then I will give explanation very deeply, because of every manufacturers, different hospitals may have, so that equipment definitely it will be useful in your life. Okay, for the concept purpose I'm giving these all informations, whatever the points have in this block diagram of X-ray. Now control circuits here, timer circuit, and ma control exposure switch. See here, and feedback circuit. This is the complete block diagram. Catch the points right now, because of I'm not saying here to be perfect here, to get the informations through this live sessions in this point for 21 point. Okay, right, come on. Now 22 points here. If not working, come on, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. See, I'm communicating very clearly, and see, so I am focusing here. Many engineers not have idea, single point also and zero also. That's why if you know these all things, then definitely will get a great experience in these live sessions. Okay, and whatever you are giving comments, I will give you response. Please let me continue. After completion of this live end session, I will engage this comment. Okay, please, right, come on, 22 points here. If not working, what to check it? As a biomedical engineer, these are all questions you have to question yourself. Okay, right, come on. You are working as a biomedical engineer, you are the junior. Okay, you are a senior also. Sometimes you may not have idea because of you are not a your background is not from x-ray. You are the ICU technician, you ICU engineer. Okay, you know very well about the ventilator, but x-ray you may not have an idea. Okay, think for example, right? Then what happened? Then you will get a complaint from the hospital because of you are the senior biomedical engineer. So to check the equipment purpose, sorry, if not working, what to check it? And see, now I'm going to read these points. Please listen to carefully, because of whenever you get a complaint from your hospital, then what happened? These are the points you have to focus. Then within less time, you can get the point. You can catch the point. Okay, right? Come on. First point here: power supply or main breaker. Okay. See, as a biomedical engineer, see, I'm talking as a practical way. What I'm saying, I'm not a professor. I'm not a lecturer. I am a biomedical engineer. Now, every designations I cross over, state level, regional, major level. Under me, 1 lakh engineers. 100 engineers we have in my team, and 1 lakh of equipments I have in my team. That is the reason. Every pin to pin, I'm trying to give you. Okay, everyone should have a skill right now. Come to the point right now. Focus. And first point, see here, power supply or main breaker, it will be problem. Okay, and see, depend on complaint, you have to check it. So these are the, if not working means complete. Sometimes what happen, sir, not exposing means then you no need to check all things. Understand? There you have to check the exposure switch working or not. And okay, if exposure switch fine, then why not getting, then power supply coming or not? Everything one by one you have to check it. What are the points you have to check? And yeah, you have to confirm, right? See here. And power supply main breaker, first of all you check it. When you go to the department, then automatically, okay, power supply, when you see the equipment, then you get confirmations. Okay, right. Next, fuses and main control and emergency stop switch. Okay, emergency stop switch is shown in the x-ray room. Okay, starting, so red button, you should be careful. And that's why before touching the equipment, you should be careful and you should be awareness. Small mistakes, it give you a big damages. Okay, right. See here, interlocking. Fourth point, see here, interlocks door, collimator overheat. And fifth point, see here, exposure switch and connections, and KVP and MA settings, and HV cables and connections, and tube cooling and oil level, and error codes on console, and X-ray tube filament anode. Okay, these are complaints not getting single time. Okay, because of, that's why I'm saying, in my, based on my 18 years of experiences in different hospitals, so different time situations I got the complaint. For those complaint, different way I will get it. Okay, so that's why if you are a new person, I want to give you full information, then you can catch and you can grow your life. Platform should be high, right? Come on, these are the points will come and depend on the, see, that's why whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, sir, tell me, sir, what is the issue? You have to ask, you have to be polite. Because of, when you get a complaint, yes sir, I will come sir, I'm busy. Because of, you may not have idea, so that's why you want to escape from there. But don't do like that. Okay, that is very dangerous to your healthy life. Okay, what should do, I will tell you, sir. Okay, x-ray complaint, please come. Yes sir, tell me sir, what is the issue there? Can you tell me? No, no, I don't know, I don't have any idea. They are saying, okay, they will reply. But that time what happened? Okay sir, no problem, I will be there, I will come, sir. Immediately you go there and meet the technician, radiologist. What problem, sir? Sir, X-ray not problem, they will say. But they are expecting was, still why not attending the biomedical engineering? Okay, they are thinking in that way. But that is the reason, first impression is the best impression. First approach is the first career. Okay, that is the important. First approaching is very important. If you have work or not, if you know work or not, that is another matter. First impression, what? Sir, you tell me, I got it, sir. What? Tell me, sir. Of course, you may not have idea. Then, okay, you collect the point and try to share with your seniors, and they only try to communicate to, sir, I'm here in front of the machine, what to do, sir, tell me, sir, I'm not have any idea. Then you have to question your senior. Still not possible, then you have to call, then you inform to the technician, sir, our senior engineer will come, sir, I will be there, please, sir, try to understand. They can understand. Okay, in that way slowly you will catch the point. After getting the complaint, your senior attended the call, then what happened? My senior will do. Then you no need to go away from there. Okay, because of what problem coming, what problem came, okay, why coming. Okay, so those points, so try to engage with the senior, what they will do, why not possible to me, then think about and write in notes. Okay, then try to ask your senior also, definitely he will explain. But let him check it first of all, then he will give you explanation. Okay, so these are the points are there. If not working, what to check it. Okay, these are the points, very very important to know all things right now. Come on, now 23 points here. How to be perfect in service, understand? Come here. See, these all points I'm sharing means because of as we are biomedical engineering service providers, these all things very very important to everyone. Now, how to be perfect in service? Student theory deeply and understand circuits and workflow, and use manuals and service guides, and do regular PM and QA, and analyze, solve faults logically, and keep update with new technologies, and maintain service records. Understand? See, here in my live sessions, I'm giving all informations means what? These are for knowledge purpose, awareness purpose. But when you go to the practical way, when you go to attend the call, then only you come to know. Yes, Ganesh sir explained those all points, very very complicated and very very important. So those important information, very very informative, that day you come to know. Okay, right, keep remember in your mind. And how to be perfect in service, these are the things important. And easily not possible to be perfect, to be a specialist in any medical equipment, that is very very complicated. That is very interest is very very important. Now come here, 24th point, collimator specification. See here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. I have a great patient, I'm giving explanations, listen to carefully right now. Okay, next, without paying anything, zero cost, you are listening. That is very fortunate for you. Okay, you are lucky persons. And collimator specifications here, 21 24th points here. Type manual or automatic. Okay, collimator switch types, manual type or auto type also available in the local market, like different companies are provided. And light source, see, light source means LED, and field size what, 0 to 0 cm to 43 to 43 centimeters. Okay, and blades, 4 leaves, lead lined. See, I'm talking about the collimator specifications. And collimator specifications also, it is depend on manufacturer, make, model, it will be vary. Okay, see, that's why I'm saying, sir, I am a X-ray specialist, sir, I am a radiology specialist, sir, I have experience 10 to 18 years, sir. You think, okay, fine. Okay, but when I'm doing these services, so what you are saying, the information, so those are mismatched, sir. If you question like that, then that is only I'm saying basic points. I'm saying, I'm not saying about make model like LNGs. I'm not saying Siemens. I'm not saying Philips. I'm not saying. Okay, and so I will tell you come upcoming sessions in this live sessions only orally. Okay, right. Come on, summary I'm giving, and feel see here. Blades and 4 leaves lean aligned, and filtration minute 2.5 mm to AI equivalent, and accuracy plus or minus 2% of SID. Okay, next you see light field, X-ray field alignment less than or equal to 2%. Okay, these are the very very important, because of when you follow the instructions, when you follow the protocol, then you will have a definitely a bright future. Okay, without doing any hard work, without doing practice, without attending any complaints, without regularity in duty, you may not get anything. Okay, that's why here the purpose, regularity in your duty important, and dedication is important, interest is important, ambition is very very important, and try to get the resources from the right senior. Okay, that's why my advice what, always try to engage with your superiors, whoever capable persons in your area. Okay, today you are a junior, one day you will become a senior. But if you become a senior purpose, then you have to take responsibilities, then you have to lead the team, you have to give the instructions. Then that is the reason, if you follow, if you know today, tomorrow you will become a trainer. Okay, right, come on, 24 point completed successfully, I hope you got it. Right, come here. So these all points, basic points, practical points I'm sharing here. So these all points very very important also. Right, come on. Here I'm going to show you, see here, difference between fixed and mobile X-ray. Okay. So here, see, X-rays are different types of X-rays, types of X-ray equipments we saw here startingly. Now come here. What is the difference between mobile X-ray and fixed X-ray? Why I'm saying, because of every hospital definitely they will have a two types of equipments. Understand? One is mobile X-ray, one is fixed X-ray. Okay, so both are doing what, X-rays only and diagnose the issues purpose only. But see, that is also, see, one is some 300 mA, 30 mA, like different the specifications will be there. Because of depend on the capability, you can buy the equipments. So because multiple types of strategy and specifications, quality and levels we have in the local market, that much technical develop in globally. Okay, right, come on. So why I'm giving these all informations, because of nowadays biomedical engineering is the excellent field, and we have a great opportunities in India also, country of India. We are very proud today because of top 10 companies BMMP projects available in India. Understand, different states, and top hospitals available in India. Okay, out of countries also coming for the coming to India to take the treatment, because of that much capacity, that much powerful technology we have. Okay, right, come on. Now come to the point, difference between fixed and mobile X-ray. See here, fixed X-ray and mobile X-ray. See here, it is visible right now. You can see here in my live session. See here, is it visible? I hope yes. Come on, let me say. Listen to carefully what I'm saying, because see, I am contributing my valuable time. Very, very important. Take it serious. Come on, focus. Come on. Now, fixed X-rays here I'm going to see here. Look like. So, fixed now, till now we are discussing about the fixed X-ray, and this is the mobile X-ray. So, simply what difference between the mobile X-ray means, we can take anywhere. Honestly, like for example, ICUs are there, OPDs are there. Okay, next to operation theaters are there. So, wherever possible, we can take it where that is mobile type. We can portable. So why? Because of some patients are critical, they cannot move one place to one place. So that time this equipment is very, very comfortable, and that's the reason every major hospital they will have a two types of equipments. Understand? And see, come to the point right now. Fixed X-ray system look like, see here, because of here lots of patients coming to the room. Okay, here lots of patient purpose going to there. Okay, this is the difference between. Okay, yeah, this mobile X-ray what, going to reach the patient to take the X-ray. Okay, here fixed X-ray, patient is going to reach the X-ray machine, then they will there to get the proper diagnosis. Right, come on. And fixed X-ray systems here, high power output and fixed installation, and heavy and stable, and better image quality, and used in radiology departments. Very, very important. See here, this is very, very important, very recommended, and in any every hospital X-ray is the basic part, basic business area. Because of, if you have any problem, if any major issues, anything, any damages, first of all they will do the X-ray first of all. Okay, if you not have if do not have any problem also, have problem also, have to take X-ray, that charges will be paid, will be applicable to the patient. Okay, because of diagnosis purpose, whatever problems they may, even doctor also may not have any idea. They have idea only about the medical field only, but they don't know internal part of the body. Understand? Means don't know means what? They have a great experience, great points, experts, but up to diagnose the issue, they don't come to know the point. Because that is the reason biomedical engineering is the excellent field. Why I'm saying? Because of biomedical engineers says that we are the great persons, like a spinal cord. Because of after I got my 18 years of experiences, every year I got many times the way appreciations also come. Yes, this much importance biomedical engineering, really wonderful. Today also I'm thinking, I am very proud. I'm also learning new topics, and today I'm giving live sessions also. Why? Because of practicing myself, because of I want to catch my more than top categories. Okay, I'm in my life, nobody have point in my life. My way is only, I want to focus my faith, I want to get the success, I want to go my life forward. Okay, and catch the top categories without disturbing others. Now these are the fixed X-ray, see here. And now mobile X-ray, see here, low to medium power and portable or wheeled, and you see used at bedside ICU OT emergency, and easy to move, and battery or line operated. See here, Here, what is the difference between, you can find out, because of in fixed X-ray, heavy voltages, everything fixed. Okay. But here, see, when mobile X-ray, see here, when mobile X-ray come to the low voltage, low to high also available. That is depend on your capability, depend on your requirement, depend on your patient load. Understand? Daily, if you are yeah, if you are maintaining 20 30 X-ray, 50 below 50 X-ray means that is 10 MA is enough. But if you take more than 100 MA, recommended. Sometimes 300 also. So that time what happened? This fixed X-ray is better. But portable purpose, this is enough. Okay. Right? For your knowledge purpose, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. And this knowledge, maximum engineers and doctors, technicians also very useful. Right? This is the difference between fixed and mobile X-ray, and simple way I have given the informations for your knowledge purpose. Okay. See, for this medical equipment, all types of catching information is important. Then only you will have a bright future. See, these all things, if you are a junior team, nobody give you respect, nobody give you responsible also. But when you become a senior, then you have to face lead all things, because of you are expecting high salaries in your life. High salaries also very important to take care about your family and to serve your life. Yes or no? Because of to complete the graduation purpose, we have paid lot of fees in colleges, that is 12 to 20 lakhs, and different generations it will be very, and upcoming days it is going to demand in the society, right? Come on. Now 26th points here, technical errors. See, these all points, whatever needed for you, those points catch you. Okay. Every point I'm giving informations. Now see here, 9 o'clock started, now 10:22, almost 1.5 hours completed. Okay. Let me finish right now. And technical errors here. So what are the technical errors in X-ray? And these technical errors also not always come. Okay. That's why, based on my 18 years of experiences, every time different situations will come, because of depend on equipment, few equipment old, few equipment proper AC power supply not properly, earthing not properly, then we may face a problem. Okay. Let's come to the point. See here, let me say technical errors. What are the technical error? Technical error one, wrong KVP or MAS selection. Okay. And second point, see here, wrong SID or OID. And see, third point, technical error. Third technical error, improper collimation. And fourth technical error, grid misalignment. And see here, fifth point, technical error, detector and CR plates issues. And sixth point, technical error, motion artifacts. And next, seventh point, see here, scatter radiation. And eighth point, over or under exposure. See, these are the technical errors. Why coming? Because of not handle the equipment properly. Okay. Not handling properly means then we may create the problems. That is the reason, as a biomedical engineer, we should have a basic information. Yeah, next, inform to the technician also. Weekly basis or monthly basis, we should approach the technician, because of their technicians is going to change. Shifts will be changed, and new technicians will come. They may not have any idea, then problem will come. Okay. That's why prevention is better than cure. Before getting any problem, you should be a proactive, and you should communicate with the hospital management. Then many chances to reduce the issues of the medical equipment. Okay. Then what happen? Your performance will be high. Right. Come on. Come to the point now. 27th point. So these all information I'm giving. See how much I have patient. You are listening also. You also have a great patience. Thank you so much. Keep watching my sessions. Let me continue. And 27th points here. Now we are talking about radiology medical equipment, X-ray purpose. Okay. Right. Fixed X-ray, see here. Switch block diagram, see here. This is the X-ray exposure switch, like a small thing, but it gives them. See, sometimes what that is them saying, small mistakes creates the big damages. Like this is also, see, this is the small instrument. See, exposure switch is the small, but it is the main heart of the X-ray, because of without release of exposing, not do perform also. Yes or no? See logic. See here. Now see here, X-ray tube how look like. See here. Here the exposure switch. Now exposure switch here how will go, and timer circuit and MA controller, and HV and line. See, here I'm giving information means, see, if you go to the information, so then we have a deep informations, and single live sessions not possible to get at all things. Okay, so that's why I'm focusing about the basics and minimum basic things. Everybody engineer, every engineer should have these all informations, because of many engineers are having 5 years of experience, many engineers are 10 years of experience, but may they not have experience about this equipment, because of they don't want and they are not interested also about this one. But they are expecting high life, high salary, and high promotions. That is the reason, if you go in this way, definitely will get it. Understand, everything is possible, my dear engineers. Whenever you keep efforts in a possible way, then only possible. Okay, without doing work, don't expect anything, my advice. Okay, practical is very very important. And see, I'm giving instructions means what? Listen my voice, engage my live sessions, and get the points, and practical way try to approach. Because of here, practice makes man perfect. How many complaints you if practically face, then you can build a confident clarity and confirmation about your skills. Okay, right. I hope my YouTube channel, my live sessions, it is going to be a big platform. It is supportive and very very informative. Okay, right, right. Come on. Now cathode and anode X-ray tube. See here, cathode. See, X-ray tube. In X-ray tube, what? Two X-ray tube, what? Two things are there. That is cathode and anode. See, cathode is positive. Okay, cathode what? Negative. Sorry, cathode is negative and anode is positive. And cathode, see, cathode here. What are the points are there? Contains see here, filament tungsten when heated emits electrons. Electrons are focused by focusing cup and stationary and negative potential. See, for this purpose, understanding purpose, we have to go to the working principle and with a schematic diagram. Okay, I will give the next live sessions coming days. Then try to engage and stay connected with my live sessions. Definitely I will give the valuable informations. Okay, so because of every we have to take a proper concept, should not mix it, because we should be clarity. Now we are discussing about only masterclass and basic things. Okay, right, come on. What are the things important I'm going to show here? And see here, stationary negative potential. So these are the, see what, X-ray tube. Mostly this X-ray tube not getting problem. Okay, very rare conditions. So very lot of time taken, because of it is very dependent on companies, it will be functions. Okay, right, come on. Anode, see here, made of tungsten, target on copper stem, and electrons strike and produce X-rays, and rotating in rotating anode tube and positive potential. See here, what is the main reason I'm giving information is because of, as a biomedical engineer, don't get fear, don't get panic, and because of if it touch, if anything shocking, what do you think? Why do you get a phobia in your mind? Okay, so for that purpose, I'm giving all informations. Okay, I hope you got it. Now 28 point completed. Now come here. Try to engage with me. Try to come with me right now. 29 points here. Fuses in X-ray emissions. What are the fuses are there? See here. Protect circuits for hours current. See here. Fuses are very very important. See here. Type HRC fuses and cartridge fuses, and location input HV circuit filament and circuit control unit, and always replace the with same ratings. Understand? Here recommend what specifications readed, that is only you have to fix. 10 amps required, 10 amps only. Okay, don't change anything, because of these are the high voltages, and whenever then many damages. That is the saying, small mistake creates the big damages. That is only I'm saying. Okay, right, come on. So these are the fuses in X-ray emissions. Now I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, let me continue. Yes, come on. Regular issues here. Why come? Listen to carefully, biomedical engineers. If you are not a radiology specialist also, as a biomedical engineers, you should take care all medical equipment, because of sometimes, for example, if you take you are a biomedical engineer, you are working in a hospital, you are the only one biomedical engineer, because of private hospitals, corporate hospitals, they are not ready to appoint multiple engineers, because of they are thinking about the budget. Okay, if two engineers are there, they have to give the salary double time. So that's why within single one engineer, they have to give the assign multiple works. They will think like a business mind. Okay, but that time what happened, you have to face all types of problems. That's why this live sessions, it is going to helpful you. Okay, that's why, so see, so many people are having great opportunity and great seniors in front of you, and so many engineers may not have. So for those people purpose, it is very, very informative, very valuable. Okay. Right. Come on. Regular issues. Why come? See here. Overloading and wrong settings. First of all, see overloading. Why? How can we say overloading means, for example, 100 MA mission. Okay. But we are doing like per day more than 500 X-rays, and overloaded means we are taking many more patients and many more cases. Then what happened? Overloading time. What happened? Definitely problem will come. Okay. And wrong settings who will do? The technician will do, because of that is the new persons, and sometimes some new biomedical engineers also will do. That is the major problems to create the issues. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right, come on. Next, poor maintenance. Why poor maintenance? What if not done the preventive maintenance properly, if not done the ARB certification properly, if not done the QA reports are not properly? Okay, then it will call poor maintenance. And X-ray room, they always should maintain the proper AC. Okay, AC is very, very important. Otherwise what happen? Electronic devices getting heat and going to stop, and it creates the major problems. Understand? Right. Now power fluctuations purpose, that is my recommendation. What in X-ray room, like UPS should be there. Okay, uninterrupted power supply, very, very important. Whenever power gone, then UPS should be very, very important. I recommend also. Why I'm saying? Because the UPS cost not more than high the equipment. Understand? So that's why if you proper concentration on UPS, you will get a great solutions, and you will get a great performance about your X-ray. Okay, right? See, based on my experience points, I'm giving here. Power fluctuations. See here, power fluctuations. So we can reduce by using the UPS. And aging of components. That's why I'm saying X-ray mission lifetime what? 10 years. 10 years means before 10 years, after 10 years it is going to over. Then you have your maintenance records, everything. Then try to inform to the hospital management. This is going to more than 10 years, so it is going to create the big issues. You have to inform to the hospital management. Understand? Because of they don't have any idea about the medical equipment. They are excellent about the management, and doctor, they have idea about the patients healthcare, but they may not have any idea about the technical sources of the medical equipment. Because of already specific engineer we have, that's why appointed there. That is the reason qualifications are very, very important to survive your life in a successful rate in your healthcare. Okay, right, come to the point. Regular problems, why come? These are the points. And dust and moisture. Okay, that's why regular basis, and what are the technical part try to involve, and what is the non-technical part should clean by the office cleaning persons, and caretakers, like whatever things. Okay, those things you have to follow by the technicians. And loose connections purpose, weekly basis purpose, that randomly check it. Okay, and lack of calibrations. See, these all things very, very problem creating issues. That's why I'm saying what, as a biomedical engineers, what we have assigned the job for you, preventive maintenance, not only sticker on the equipment. Okay, you have to do the performance based on the medical equipment. And upcoming days also live sessions, because of my aim, 1000 plus live sessions in my life. For that purpose, many topics I'm going to cover in my live sessions every day 9 p.m. after done my duty. Okay, 9 to 11, minimum 2 hours I will spend in YouTube channel, that is going to give you live sessions. Okay, right, these are the regular issues. Why come? 30 points here. Now 31 points here. See here what I am discussing here, what I am sharing here, what I am giving presentation here. Those all points very, very important. Okay, knowledge sharing is not a wrong way. Yes or no? Knowledge, if you have it, you will have a great future. You may not in trouble, because of I am leading top level category to a state level regional manager. Every engineer should have a bright future. My opinion. Every engineer should perform right, excellent way. Okay, right. Come on. I hope you are engaged in my live sessions. Let me continue right now. 31. See here. 31 point. Danger symbols. Very, very important. What if you know these all things before touching? Before you should get awareness. That is proactive mind. Don't get panic. Be awareness as a biomedical engineer. Based on the symbol, you should be careful. Okay, and yeah, if you have an idea, then if you are there anyone, just try to suggest and try to advise them. Please don't stay there. It is very, very dangerous, harmful to your life. Give the instructions to all peoples. Okay, their attenders are there, the doctors will be there. Some so because of all doctors are not have an idea, because of some people are not have idea, because they have a subject. Because why? Because of nobody perfect at all situations. Okay, everyone have a perfect particular situations only as a human being. Right, come on. Now see here, come to the point, danger symbols I'm going to show here. Very, very important points I'm going to say here. That's why I'm saying here in this live session, sir, 2 hours, because of time is not a matter. Getting point is important. Yes? Yes, come on. And danger symbols here, ionizing, radiation, and high voltage, and a warning, and X-rays on, caution, hot surface, and electrical hazards. See, these symbols definitely, okay, these symbols attached on the X-ray room. If you find out anywhere, then definitely these are things available. Understand? Very, very important. Don't ignore, because of life is very, very important. Yes, my dear engineers. Come on. Next 32 points here. See, 32 points here. As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. Manufacturing companies globally, see here. What are the companies available in the local market, like a country of India or globally? Okay. Globally means multiple countries are there. Because of globally, why I'm saying we are a human being, so we need all things. Because of this all thing, diagnosis of X-ray means every human being, not only human being. For this X-ray, different types of X-rays are there, and animals are there, living organisms. What are the available in the world? For every purpose, X-ray is important because of to diagnose the issues of every patients. Okay, right, come on. Now here, what are the manufacturers? Now I'm going to say here, see here, top companies, Siemens Healthcare, okay. Next, GE Healthcare and Philips, Canon, Fujifilm. Next, DRGM and Simasdu and Carestream. Okay, these are the top companies globally. And if you go any hospital in these company, definitely you will get any one company also. Okay, because of these are the life saving, and these are the great durability and great performance. And Nobel Prize also awarded by the national. Okay, right, come on. These are the manufacturers of the X-rays. Right, come here. 33 points. Skills required what? I'm going to read out now. Please listen to carefully. Skills required what? As a biomedical engineer, see, these all things I have explained because of your starting positions. Without knowing this, directly you open the equipment and touch the equipment. What happened? Then will burst or short circuit and get damages, many things. That's why you have to do these services. So for X-ray machine purpose, you have to go through proper way. At the same time, every concept is important in electrical, electronic basis and technically. Skilled engineer only recommended, because of it is very dangerous all peoples. If you follow very clearly technically, then everything will come fine. You can find out the issues, you can resolve the issues, and everything is fine. Right? Right, come on. And skills what required? Electronics and electrical knowledge important. Understand? To repair the equipment purpose, what? Because of, see, I'm going to show you right now one more topic also available after this. Okay, let me finish right now. Right, come on. Electronics and electrical knowledge here, first of all, requirement for biomedical engineering, and understanding of X-ray physics, very important, and circuit reading and troubleshooting, very important. Next, see here, mechanical and alignment skills important, and computer and software basics important, because of to monitoring console room. Okay, there also software and of things are very important, and communication documentation is very, very important, and safety and radiation productions also very important. These are the skills required, and you need to focus these all skills. Okay, how you get it, that is the one more sessions I will tell you here. These are the required for the X-ray. Next, biomedical engineer, how to become a X-ray specialist question. Okay, this is your question, sir. How to become a specialist, sir? Simply question rise is very, very easy. Okay, but when we are going to implement in our life, that is very complicated. But everything is possible whenever you keep efforts in a possible way. Definitely, it is going to be a success. Okay, for that purpose, dedication is important. Understand? Dedication is important, interest important, and ambition is important. Completely tracking is very, very important. Every root causes you have to search it. You have to involve it. That's why specialist purpose you have to dedicate for that purpose only. Understand? Right, come on. And see here, strong. See how to become X-ray specialist. I will give you, see here. First point is strong basic knowledge, electrical physics important. Okay. For this purpose, electrical, electronic purpose, I have given the proper live session in my YouTube channel. Definitely available. Go through my live sessions. Okay. Next here, second point, learn X-ray theories and equipment. These knowledge you will get a informations in your college. Okay. If you are complete diploma, SDBME, special diploma in electronics and biomedical engineering, you will get a topic this one. And BTech also you will get it, and biotechnology also you will get it. Okay, and that's why saying basic education based on your education, based on your job also should be equal, especially recommended in biomedical engineering. So mostly recommended these type peoples only can survive long time, can get a great positions, top level category possibilities to lead in your life. Okay, right, come on. And see a third point, get hands on experience. Understand, gets hands on experience. How in my live sessions I'm giving all informations about the x-ray. So these all things basic information. So get hands on experience is what, these all things you have to face the real life. For example, you get a complaint from the hospital, complaint x-ray. Okay, you have to go there and you have to do by your hand, by applying your skills, that is get hands on experience. Okay, by doing, by that is I'm saying biomedical engineering is not only a, see, not only a software job. Okay, it is included all types, software, hardware, okay, mechanical, all types of things included in this biomedical engineering field. Okay, right, come on. Next, to get hands on experience is for that purpose I will give you different explanations, then you will get it. Okay, right, come on. And do trainings and certifications. Understand, training purpose, see, training purpose you should have a great certifications also. Otherwise nobody recognize you, nobody trust you, nobody. That is called what, RSO. Okay, RSO means what, radiology safety officer. So many hospitals, see, if you know these all things, you will become a RSO also. So RSO demand in hospitals and companies, because of these are the very very important, precious and high demand recommend salaries also, because of this job giving the best performance, and it is based on the performance only. Hospital profit loss it will be depend. Okay, right, come on. And fifth points here, understand safety and regulations and work on troubleshooting. And seventh one, follow continuous learning. So these all points, biomedical engineer, how to become a specialist. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, let me continue right now. Yes, come on. Now 30 fifth points here. Skilled engineer what? Understand, see, a skilled engineer is a capable of, see, these all questions, why I'm giving, because of these type of questions, whoever want to become a specialist engineer, definitely they will have a different types of questions, but they may not have a great opportunity in front of you. For those people's purpose I bring it you all. Okay, right, come on. Skilled engineer, x-ray purpose what needed. Okay, a skilled engineer capable of what should be capable, understanding the system completely and diagnosing faults quickly and repairing with precision, and ensuring patient and operator safety, and optimizing image quality and maintaining records and compliance. See, this is the reason I'm giving all informations. Understand, these all information. So why I'm saying, sometimes because see, you resolve the one or two issues in the medical, in this x-ray. I am the boss, I am the hero. Somebody thinking like that. But whenever coming different problem coming, then they will escape. So every engineer should not be like that. Okay, that's why I'm giving information is what, at any situations, any problem, if you are a specialist person, don't give this chance to repair anyone. Okay, you have to dedicate, you up to resolve the issues. Sometimes diagnose issues purpose, sometimes damages you need to replace, whatever going to replace the spare part by diagnosing very clearly by using your technical skills. And you should confirm, because of those spare parts going to give you a more expensive. Okay, right, I hope you got it very clearly right now. These are the skills, very very important right now. Next, what makes you an expert. Okay, expertization is very very important. See, why I'm giving informations, because of, see, by getting experiences you will get a lot of experiences. Understand, is it clear? I hope you very clear right now. Come on, what makes you an expert? These are the very very important as a biomedical engineers, because of so many engineers having a great patience, great excellent they are doing, but they don't have any idea what need to focus in your career. How can I become a good biomedical engineer? How can I get a promotion? Simply blindly some engineers are doing to get a salary purpose, monthly basis, they're doing the job and they will get a salary. That is not enough in your life. Understand, that's why I'm giving these all informations means what, through my live sessions you will have a great opportunity, because of, see, today I got all designations and all got promotions because of my focus in separate way. That's why today I come in this my live sessions right way. Okay. See here, what makes you an effect? Expertization. I will tell you right now. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. I'm giving presentation also here. Time taken. It is going to finish. Okay. I will. It will take more than half an hour. It will be finished right now. Okay. Come on. Next, see here, experience, knowledge, skills, and good troubleshooting ability. See here, troubleshooting. I'm saying what? Troubleshooting means every day, every live sessions. I'm saying troubleshooting. Very, very, very important. Understand? If you know this troubleshooting, any medical equipment, critical equipment, non-critical equipment, major equipment, minor equipment. Okay. So depend on equipment, it is going to applicable troubleshootings. Okay. So troubleshooting what? Problem, causes, resolutions. Understand? Everywhere problem come, everywhere problem has a solution. Okay, causes will be there, and every causes will be there a solution by using your expertization. Okay, right. See here, understanding of safety standards and good communication and professional attitude. Here, see everything approaching. Try to approach my live sessions professional. Okay, these all things I'm going to interact because of these all information is going to give you a good life, and you will lead a good life, and you will get a great salary when you are going to implement in your practical way. Okay, if you're not practicing well, your wish, your choice. I'm giving information with great patience, very loudly and very clearly and very excellent effectively. I'm giving. Try to catch my points. Now 37 points here. Exposure issues here. Overexposure, very white image, high dose, and underexposure, dark image, low quality, and causes wrong KVR, MES, wrong time, AEC error, and patient movement dirty detector, and solution optimized parameter, PM and QC. Okay, QC, preventive maintenance and quality control. Okay, so quality control means this is the things. Okay, next here, conclusions here. I want to conclusion in this first part one in this live session only, and part two also we have. Now let me continue. That is internal components of the X-rays. What are the internal components? Electrical, electronic components are there. I will tell you. Okay, please engage. 38th point here, conclusion. X-ray equipment is a complex system. A biomedical engineer should understand its theory, working, safety, maintenance, and troubleshooting to ensure reliability, operation, patient safety, and best image quality. Okay. See, if you are working as a biomedical engineer, complete one day also. If you not get a result, no use at all. Okay. If you work 1 hour, but you will give your best performance, that is only going to recognize. Understand? That's why I'm saying what? How much you are doing time doing work on medical equipment, that is not important. Important for others, but that is important to you personally because of practicing, and you come to know and you come to awareness, then you will be perfect. Because by diagnosing, by observing only, you will get knowledge. Yes, we know very well because as a biomedical engineer, but hospital people not understand because of they need working equipment, because of they have to take the patient, and every patient is going to pay. That is the variation. Okay. Now 39 points here. Remember key points. First of all things I have explained regarding the radiology medical equipment. Safety first, and quality image, low dose, and regular maintenance, and follow protocols and keep learning. Okay. So these follow protocols means every protocol already mentioned inside the room of the X-ray setup room. There precautions are there, and everything they will stick out. Okay. That's why when you enter into the X-ray, you are a new person. Then try to observe all things. What are the things? If it is possible, try to take picture. Okay, right. Sometimes pictures not allowed, but if you maintain with good relationship with a technician, definitely they will support you. Because of as a biomedical engineer, I want to know, I want to be perfect. That is the reason. If you say your background, definitely they will accept you. But other person not allowed to take the pictures, photos anywhere in hospitals. It is restricted. So these all things till now I have explained, and see these all points I have explained very clearly. And by adding my real-time hospitals, I am engaging with the communication very clearly. As a senior engineer, I hope you are listening. You definitely these all various types types of topics related to the X-ray medical equipment complete biomedical engineering guide. Okay, right. So these all the one session complete right now. Okay, now come here. Let me continue right now. See these all points. Next, see, come to the internal parts right now. Come on. These all I have explained. Next, see here. Next, this is the internal part of the radiology medical equipment and X-ray. See, here by watch this live session, this topic, understand, you will not be expert, okay? You will be a perfect about the informations because of these are the what are the internal components, functions, a practical guide. This is very important to know because of half of the knowledge don't keep in your mind. Try to keep your proper knowledge, full information, time taken, but you should be perfect and it will give you a good result in your life. Okay, come on. Now, what I'm going to see, X-ray equipment, internal view component. Now, see here, these all informations I'm going to show you, and I'm going to explain very clearly, very patience. And here, whatever I have explained, I don't repeat, and whatever not explain new points, I will tell you. I will try to show you. Okay, right? Come on. Is it clear right now? And see, depend on manufacturer, make, model. I will give you different lives and nothing to worry. Okay, don't get panic. I will come live sessions one by one. Okay, come on. Right, come on. Total 26 points. Okay, 26 points here. Almost need to explain only 10 to 15 points. Only I have to explain because of previous points. I have explained many points. Here, what a few points only. It is going to over within half an hour. It will going to finish. Okay, right. Come on. That's why I told you it is going to take a 2 hour session. Because of whoever thinking about the professional life, whoever want to become a specialist, definitely he will listen because of who knows the importance of the biomedical engineer, definitely he will dedicate because of why outside of the society, in the society, what happened, competitive society, if you pay a lot of money also, you may not get this much informations. If you get information in the internet, but you may not clarity, but you may not confirmations. That's why based on my experiences, what are the important things required you have to face, those things I'm going to show here and give the presentation in my live sessions by talking my live sessions. Okay, right. So image is visible or not? Wait, I will refresh right now because of it is going to two hours. So that's why it is going to struck. I'm going to refresh right now. Wait. Okay, wait. I will take a break because of 2 hours going to complete. I am tired. Right, man. Okay, thank. Let me continue right now. I will show you right now. Please come on. See, this time also I am very energetic because of morning time complete state level operations I am operating. Now I am coming here. Okay, right. Come on. Without waste of time, try to engage. Remaining topics I am going to show you. Come on. It is visible right now. Yes. Come on. Whoever interested, really hats up you peoples. So I think that's why this type of valid information is needed. You people, I know. Now come here. Let me show you first of all one by one point. I will show you. And main components, internal view, electrical and electronic parts. It is visible right now. Yes. Okay. I will zoom right now. See. Is it clear? Tell me. So part wise, I'm going to show you right now because of all parts. It is show you, but it is not clarity. Okay, that's why I will go to first of all main components, internal view, electrical and electronic components, and listen to carefully. Keep in your mind these informations depend on make, manufacture, based. It will be going to vary. Okay, basic knowledge purpose. What are the things and what are the functions? I'm going to tell you right now. See here. Here the labeling parts here, but I'm going to show you. See here, component and functions. Understand? Please try to note down. Otherwise, see, no need to note down because of multiple times. If you watch my sessions, then if you go multiple times, then definitely will get catch a point. Okay, right? Come on, let me continue. Keep watch my live sessions. Be energetic. Come on, subscribe my channel first of all, my dear engineers. Whoever not subscribed, come on. Now come to the point. First of all, component main power switch. Okay. So what is the function? Connections and disconnections, AC power supply. Okay. Next, second point, EMI filter. Second point, see, and reduces electrical noise and interference. And third point, see here, input contactor connects input power to the system. Okay. These are the main components, main parts. Very important. See, and fourth point, see here, high voltage transformer. Step up voltage to required kVp. See, here my advice what? As a biomedical engineer, when you open the equipment, then should switch off the power supply and remove the power card. Okay. remove the power cord from the AC supply, because sometimes some leakage current will be there. Okay, so then you will make get shock. So that's why please try to remove the completely plug whenever you get a complaint. See, starting time I have explained all things. So that time what happened? So every point, but when you get a major problem, then you have to open the equipment. Understand? Until then, don't try to open the equipment. Okay, it is safety for you. And if you get a major problem, definitely you should open, because of it is a great responsibility of biomedical engineer to repair and resolve the issues and to hand over the working condition in medical equipment to the hospital. Come on, come on, come on. Test fifth points here. Rectifier assembly converts AC to DC high voltage. Okay. So what are the components available inside of the X-ray? The X-ray is what? These are the console area available. Okay. Right. Come on. Control unit. Okay. Next, see here. Sixth point: high voltage capacitors and storage energy for exposure. And seventh point: inverter board and generates high frequency AC. And eighth point: control PCB main board and control timing KVP and MA functions. And MA control board. Ninth point, see here, regulates tube current MA. These are the internal main ports. Okay. And 10th point, see here, filament transformer supplies low voltage to X-ray tube filament. And 11th point, see here, tube socket cable. And what function provides connections to X-ray tube. Okay. 12th point, see here, component name, cooling fan and cools internal components function. So because of, see, whatever components available inside of the equipment, we should know. At the same time, what are the functions, what are the specifications, what are the capabilities, what are the ratings, what are the limited ratings, how much needed required voltages, and like that. Depend on that only you can find out, you can diagnose the issues. Because of technically you should be perfect, then only you can do the services instead of the equipment. Okay, right, come on. And 12 points here, cooling fan, I have explained. Next 13 points here, oil pump, if oil cooled, circulates oil for heat dissipation. Okay, these are the very, very important. That's why proper handling time very, very important to catch the points. Okay, next 14 points here, oil tank successfully complete, stores insulating oil for cooling. Okay, when you go to the oil tank, when you see that the practical way, if you go to the X-ray, then you can find out. Okay, so 14th point, oil tanks here completed. Next 15 points here, timer and microprocessor and controls exposure time accurately. And 16th point, high voltage cable and carries high voltage to X-ray tube. See, one equipment working function purpose, these all things important. That's why it is a very critical, expensive, and very dangerous and very powerful. If you have a skills radiology, that is recommend also. If you are a radiologist, they will give you a response, they will give you respect and high salary. So every time you have to prove your skills. Okay, that is the reason I'm giving information. Why? Because in a positive way I'm giving informations, and try to give the comment also positive way, because of I'm giving this much great effective, great powerful informations I'm going to share with you all. Okay, these are the very, very complicated, which is not possible to other people's. Now second points here, these are the components of the internal and electrical and electronic components inside of the X-ray. Okay, right, come on. These are only talking about the what? Fixed X-ray. Right, come on. Now come here. X-ray tube. X-ray tube internal parts, how look like? See. So, see, if you take any X-ray tubes, these parts are common, but depend on company manufacturers, it is going to features will be different. Okay. So that's why try to understand the concept. Try to get the information through my live sessions. Come on. See here. This is the X-ray tube. When you open this one, then only you come to know, because of mostly not possible to open, because of that much opportunity, not have a great multiple engineers. Even specialist also may not get opportunity, because of always equipment non working condition. Very rare condition yearly. X-ray machines, if you maintain properly, very rare conditions. 4-5 times it will come if you provide the services excellent. If your services reliability fine. Okay. And if you use spares, quality and original manufacturer companies, if you use, then that performance will go into 1 year. Okay, right, come on, more than 1 year also sometimes. And stator, rotor, see everything labeled here, what are the parts are there. And stator, rotor, and tungsten, anode. Okay, and target, focal target. Okay, track, and glass envelope, and X-ray beam and tungsten filament cathode and focus cup and filament connections. These are the internal part of the what X-ray tube. Okay, every part you should be perfect and single tay not possible. If you want to become a specialist in X-ray, then it takes 1 to 2 years not enough. Okay, 1 to 5 years enough. 1 to 5 years is the powerful time taken. Within 1 year, sir, I got a certificate, sir, I am a X-ray specialist. If you say like it, not possible. That is the reason in biomedical engineering that type of activity not possible. Understand? Because of if you go in software, sir, I have a certificate, sir, means you can buy the certificate. But in medical field, you cannot buy, because of if you buy the certificate, you will get a job. But after getting a job, you have to do the work. For that purpose, no need to accents. You cannot do anything. That time you should have a capable skills. That time you should perform individually, because of that working equipment is going to critical conditions. That's why performance is very very important. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. This much I am giving information is what everyone. If you engage my live sessions, you will have a bright future. That is the great achievement in my life. Okay. Now see here, X-ray tube functions here. What are the functions? X-ray tube functions. What I'm going to read here. X-ray tube functions here. Filament heats up and emits, and electronics, the thermistic, thermionic emission, and electronics are accelerated towards anode targeted by high voltage. And one striking target X-rays are produced, and most heat is absorbed at anode, and glass anode envelope provides aqueous insulations. Okay. These are the giving information you see for your knowledge purpose, awareness purpose. I'm giving the information because of I want to try to awareness the biomedical engineers, and these are the informations I have in the technical field. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, come on, let me go right now. So till now I have explained here, and in physical way see here, oil tank. If how look like, see oil tank. This is heavy loaded here, not possible. Okay, if you go to the hospital, then you come to know very high, very heavy loaded also, because of high voltage we are using. So definitely we need to maintain heavy loaded needed based on the specifications, based on the capacity of the equipment. And see here, what are the things? Insulating oil, cools, transformer, rectifier, and cables. Okay, these are the two cables, cathode and anodes, and prevents overheating. And oil level must be in between minimum and maximum, and use only recommended grade of oil. This is very very important. And maximum these purpose, many things, many services, biomedical engineers services, they are dependent on third party only, vendors, because of for this purpose only dedicated X-ray radiologists people is only very important, because of don't buy the risk. Okay, don't try to be risk, and don't try to create the risk, and don't be in risk. That is my advice. Okay, right. So real look like this. If you go to the practical way, that is very very complete interesting way. That's why I come back here. Very valuable information. So understand. Now see here. Now main functions I am going to see here. See. Come on. Now it is going to 11:3. So almost 2 hours. So successfully I want to complete all points, whatever needed for X-ray. Okay. Right. Come on. Now main components and functions. See, till now what I have shown in this part, electrical electronic part of the X-ray machine inside of the X-ray radiology, fixed X-ray. Okay, come on. I will show you these components and functions. These are the very, very important. See, I'm giving live sessions 1 to 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. But these are the practical way. If you want to be a specialist in this one, 4 to 5 years is required. That is also dedication, time, dedication, powerful skills, everything. Because of these all things I'm giving means, whoever focusing on specialist radiology, for those people definitely these live sessions is going to fulfill informations. Yes, right. Thank you so much, and keep watch my channel. Let me continue remaining topics. I'm going to clear it here. Okay, right. Come on. See here, what are the components I have shown here? Now I want to show. I want to tell you what is the component and what is the function of that. Okay. And see, these all I'm giving informations for knowledge purpose. When you go to practical, then you have to find out what is the component. You have to find out. You have to diagnosis. Okay, that is another task. Understand? Right? Come on, come on, my dear by whoever, please subscribe my channel first of all. Subscribe my channel and try to share with your friends, because of subscription is very very important. Then only you will get a very valuable informations and notifications, whatever upcoming live sessions in my YouTube channel as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right? Come on. Come on, let me continue. Let me finish right now. And components here, main components and functions here. Now we are talking, discuss about what? Radiology medical equipment, that is X-ray machine, that is fixed X-ray. Okay, I'm talking universal. Okay, I'm not taking any manufacturer basis, because of when come to the manufacturer basis, it is going to vary. But if you take any manufacturers, these are the basic components it is available. That is different way features will be connected inside of the equipment. Okay, right, come on. Components here, high voltage transformer. Okay, what will do? Steps up voltage to 40 to 150 kVp. Because of, see, these all parameters why needed, sir? Why you are giving explanation, sir? Then if you question like that, that for that purpose my answer, because of doing the X-ray purpose, what needed? We have to exposing purpose, what needed? Voltage needed. Okay, current basis, high voltage rated. So because of why needed? Because of the tubing is what are the process of the X-ray tube, I have explained very well. Okay, and upcoming live sessions I will take a working principle schematic diagram, very clearly information I will explain. Okay, because of in this live sessions I'm going to give you only master class about the X-ray, radiology, medical equipment, and basic things. And I'm focusing on biomedical engineers, whoever not have any idea about the medical equipment, that is X-ray. Okay, come on, try to engage with me, try to communicate with me right now. Come on, try to listen. Rectifiers here, component of the name rectifier, converts AC to DC. Okay, it's very very important. Please keep note your points, because of these all points going to face interview purpose. Okay, come on. Next, high voltage capacitor. See here, stores energy and release during exposure. And inverter, see here, component, and convert DC to high voltage, high frequency AC for stable output. And MA control, these are the components, and I'm going to give the functions of the components. Okay, please note down and see. If you not understand one time, multiple times try to watch my live sessions. Okay, because of it is a education channel, not a simple YouTuber live. Okay, right, come on. Be a professional biomedical engineer. If you have a proper information, if you have a proper skills, then definitely will become a professional biomedical engineering. Okay, right, come on. Now inverters here, component name what? Inverter, and converts DC to high frequency AC for stable output. Okay, MA control what? Controls tube current for proper exposure. And control PCB controls all operations and safety interfaces, interlocks. And control PCB controls all operations and safety interlocks. And timer control exposure time, minutes per seconds. Okay, next, see, tube generator X-rays. Okay, listen to carefully, these are the very very important points. No button components. And console user interface for settings and controls. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly right now. Yes, again I'm going to refresh, because of I'm going to continuous in live session, it is going to struck, that is why some signals happened. I'm going to restart right now. Okay, now it is okay, clear. Let me continue. I need to restart. It is refreshed automatically in my laptop. Come on. Now till now, what are the main components and functions I have explained? Please note down and see. These all points try to keep in your mind. And whatever I'm saying, try to interact practical way. Just to listen, watch, and get the point, and go to the hospital, and go to and see. My image visible or not? It is not visible, friends. Wait, I will reload. Understand? If I catch my points, up to catch my points, I don't stop my hard work. Understand? So that's why dedication is important. Here, in this my live sessions, I'm giving over 2 to 3 hours means valid points. In this way, you can observe my validity of patience, capacity of my level. Okay, talking level is important, and practical knowledge also very very important. Understand? Now come here. Practical patient said how, hospital said use. Okay, see here, almost 99 point we are going to finish right now. I hope you got it very clearly right now. Come on. Practical patient side, hospital side, how use. X-ray room setup. See here, X-ray room setup I have explained. I have shown also. Starting we enter X-ray room only. Very entry is excellent. Yes or no? Yes. I hope you are in X-ray, and today live sessions it is going to give you a very valuable information. I hope till now what I have given hundreds of sessions, it is a specific session. Okay, come on. And tomorrow also will come live sessions 9 o'clock, different topic. I don't stop my live sessions until reach my 1000 plus live sessions. Come on, try to engage right now. Okay, practical patients I said, X-ray room setup is important. What are the things I have shown here? And control console patient side I have shown startingly. And collimator light localizer, how to keep everything I have explained. And see here, image receptor. This is the DR panel and CR cassette and converts X-ray to digital image. This is also I have shown practically what are the things are there. And exposure ranges and specifications I have explained startingly. Okay, so that's why so many points I have explained very well. And here see, and radiation principles also I explained. I hope you got it. If you watch my live sessions completely, time taken process, because of you, it is going to change your life. In our life is very very important. Understand? And radiation hazard, see here. This is I am going to show you. See, X-ray is the radiation, okay, radiation related, and radiation hazards. What will happen? Can cause cell damage. Okay, cell, we have a cells level, lakhs of cells in our body that is going to make a tissue. Okay, tissues and next organs in our body. Okay, so can cause cell damage and can cause genetic effects and can cause tissue reactions and keep exposure as low a see reasonably achievably alara. Okay, these are the very very important, and this is the recommended, very important. We should be careful. We should give the instructions also to others very carefully. Come on. And why these are why we are lead apron I have explained, and why TLD I have explained, and these all things maximum I have explained. Okay, so in this slide, what internal components you got it, understand? And now come here, electrical safety precautions I'm going to show you, because of see, before touching the equipment as a biomedical engineer, you are very excited and you are very more responsible. Okay, I am appreciated you, but at the same time you have to focus your life. Health is important, because of you have a family, we have a family. Okay, so let's come on. And 11th point here, electrical safety precautions very important. I'm going to show you. Ensure proper earthing or not. See, anywhere if you go as a biomedical engineer, please keep with your hands multimeter. Okay, so X-ray purpose, that is clamp meter will available, high voltage multimeter and normal multimeter also, both type of multimeter you should have, understand? But that is not recommended, high voltages, but normal multimeter, that is basically important. Every engineer should have, whatever they have they should bring while doing rounds. Okay, and see, ensure proper earthing and check earth resistance regularly, and use proper NCB RCCB isolatory, and do not touch internal parts with power on, and discharge capacitors before services. Okay, and use insulated tools, and follow lookout tag out during maintenance, and check for oil leakage and overheating. Okay, see here my advice, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, understand, directly go to the department and check over a few things, basic things sometimes happen. Minor issues will be there. By observing, by doing troubleshooting, by settings, by proper checking, we will resolve the issues. Whenever you get a major problem, then don't try to open directly. They will give you pressure, but strictly they will you have to say, sir, this is the till now using, so we have to stop the equipment half an hour or 1 hour. We have to stop, because of why? As a technical engineer, we have a knowledge. Why? Instead of the component, they are the high level capacitors are there. Those are the storing device capacitors are there. Storing devices are like different high level components are there. So it is going to store the electricity. So that's why we should shut down the equipment. If not working, then shut down the equipment, because of inside part of the equipment, those components are active. So to stop to discharge the capacitors anything, we have to keep half an hour or 1 hour. It is very very important. Okay, so that's why they don't understand, but needed after 1 hour only. Okay, right. Sometimes they were not ready to listen. Then what happened? Try to open all things, and physically mechanically all times you check it, but don't try to touch the components. Okay, right. Now see here how to use the multimeter. See here how to use the multimeter purpose. I have given the 1 hour, more than 1 hour live session I have given in my live session. Complete informations I have provided, because of multimeter is the basic point of the biomedical engineer. By using the multimeter only, we can be perfect a technical career. Okay, see here how to use the multimeter. These are the points are there. I have explained already previous session, and you can get it and you can watch my sessions. Okay. Now come here. Troubleshooting. See here. Troubleshooting guide. I want to give you simple way. Problem and no power. These are things I have given. Explain. Yes or no? Yes. And if not working, also explain. And preventive maintenance, what to do, I have explained. Okay. And regular problems also, maximum topics I have explained here, right? So successfully, see, if you think like that, more than 100 points I have shared here. That's why it is going to take, see, 9 o'clock started. Now still my live session is going 11:06. Okay, so in our target time also crossed. So now maximum what I have achieved my target today, and successful information I have given. And see here, and here I want to show you before end this session, see types of fuses. See here, is it visible right now? See here. Yes, as protect circuits from the overcurrent. And see, fuse is the protection device. Okay, if anything get a complaint, then it can pace, it can damage, but it will not reach the inside of the equipment. There only stop because of that much power will not go here, only struck, will only stop. Okay, so these fuses when will get problem, whenever getting high fluctuations, voltages and low volt fluctuations, voltages and earthing low, and proper not getting properly AC power loading everything, then it will be damaged. Okay. So I hope you got it very clearly, my dear engineers. Right? Successfully I have given. So these all things I have given right now. Okay. So these all things I have explained here. So a lot of informations I have explained. See here. So till now, successfully many valid points I have said with you all. And whatever you have doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions. And based on your comment, I will give the respond. Based on your comment, I will give the reply. Otherwise, I will make a new live sessions for your topic. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. And now I want to stop this presentation here. Now I want to interact. Okay. With comments. Come on. Because of continuation explanation is also important, and one-to-one communication is also very important. Here why I am giving priority, first of all, because of lot of informations. You are the listener, you are the learner. Okay, I am the speaker, I am the trainer. So these informations who are not have an idea, for those people purpose, successfully I have given. Okay, come on, now come to the point right now. Say one by one one by one, come here. So restless, till now I am talking here. Now come to the point. Good evening, sir. Okay, right. Good evening, everyone. Right, next, see here. Next, if possible, make a video. If possible, make video on X-ray mission LNGs Mars 40. Okay, fine. Next coming live sessions, I will give you. Okay, when I will make you that video, depend on your comment. I will give the notifications. Okay, for your comment, I will give the live session link. I will show you. Okay, right. Hello, sir. Okay, tell me. Next what? Mass purpose, I will make a video because of depend on comment. I have to make a video because of simple way not enough to understand the concept. Understand? Right? Come on. And what is the ASEAN name and oil used in X-ray tube? Okay, it's a nice question, right? For this purpose also, proper information I will provide because of see the this also I have explained in this live sessions. I hope. Okay. Once repeat my complete live session today, because of this topic also I explained, because of maximum topics I have covered in this live session. Okay, definitely we will catch this and try to engage, try to continue, and second time also watch my live session. Definitely will get a point that one, because of 100 out of 100% I prepared note and everything in a particular way, because of every pin what you may have doubt. So from your side also, I think, and I have decided and I have prepared the answer also. Okay, right. Come on, Yusuf, no problem. Okay, please once again watch my session. There definitely your answer will be there. Right. If you do not, if you're not getting anything, then again, sir, This answer I didn't receive, sir, in your live session. Then I will check it once. Then I will repeat. Okay, because of I don't want to repeat again and again, because of why it is going to record in my live sessions. It is very serious, important. Understand? Right? Come on. Next to someone. Hello, sir. Okay, subscribe now. Rahat Khan ji, subscribe now. And here, see, everyone, please subscribe now. Subscribe. And see here. And my advice here, listen to carefully. These all informations are ones. Practical also I have explained. If you give the equipment also, I can do the service. So that's why I'm leading, giving the instruction to the biomedical engineers. Okay, right. Take it positive, friends. Okay, take it positively. And yes, sir. Yes, I am a beginner biomedical engineering subject, sir. Okay, fine. Excellent. Beginner biomedical engineer purpose, I have given the lot of information. So once go to my YouTube channel, that is Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. In Google also available. Okay. For you purpose, I will show you right now. Come on. Come on, let me show you first of all. Wait, I will show you right now. Come on. See how how it is possible to see here. See, I'm interacting with your subscribers because of very, very important. I'm giving information is it is a standard base. And come on. Yes, I am a beginner biomedical engineer subject. Okay, Rahat Khan. Okay, listen to carefully. I will show you. I will open the Google. Okay, come on, see here. I will show the presentation. Now, see here. Today, successfully completed the live session about the X-ray. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to interact a subscriber and whoever want to know the importance of this life. Okay, I will show the simple what is my channel. Okay, biomedical. How can you find out and what are the things available? I will show you within 1 minute. Next, I will go to finish. Okay, right. Yes, I am a biomedical engineer. Come on, I'll show you right now today. I know this subject. How reading complete my subject? Please describe. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, yeah, sure, definitely. College life is okay, but see here what I'm giving explanations till now I have explained. Those are related on the practical life only. Okay, sir, I know this subject. How reading complete my subject? Please describe. Definitely, 100% I can give you because of today I'm leading as a state level regional operations under me hundreds of engineers and lakhs of equipments I'm taking care. My main passion is what I want to encourage everyone, even junior engineers, you are upcoming biomedical engineers. Today, if I support you, definitely you will have a bright future. Okay, let me show you right now. Okay, come on. How do you get my? I am a first semester student, sir. Yes, very fine. First year purpose, yesterday only. SDAB purpose, first year, second year, third year purpose also I will come. Okay, and how to finish your subjects and how to complete your subject, how to get a first rank, how to get a merits in your subjects, I will tell you. Okay, because of I have completed the SSC, BPC. Okay, like special diploma in electronics in biomedical engineering and bachelor of technology in biomedical engineering and MBA hospital management I have completed in practical life. Understand? Right. Okay, okay. Come on, come on. I will show you right now today. How can you find out my session? See here. Is it clear right now? See here. Is it visible? See here. See what I'm going to show here. See, this is the we have nowadays technology, medical, laptop, everything. What are things here? Here. Understand? It is visible right now. Right. See here. You have to search here. See in Google. Check it here. First of all, first see, like my channel and subscribe my channel first of all. Okay, right, come on, you can search here Ganesh. See, Ganesh, Ganesh. Yes, you can get it my channel. Okay, anything if you search biomedical engineering also, biomedical engineering, senior biomedical engineering also, you will get it. Okay, first see here Ganesh SBM, you could find it. Now Enter. Okay, see here, it will come. Here I want to show you biomedical engineering related. See, this is the biomedical engineering related channel. Here, college students purpose, freshers purpose, professional life, job purpose, everything I'm going to show you. See here. I think here network slow. That's why it is not showing. Understand? Wait, I am showing you right now. See, Ganesh SBME. See here. Here coming right now. See down. You can find out here. Now it is visible right now. See here. These all videos available. See, these all my efforts, my life, complete 18 years of experiences. Now real time, I am expressing my career. Okay. Nothing to worry. Don't get panic. I am here to give you all informations to provide you. Is it visible right now? See here. Mr. Rahat Khanji, student, I will give respect. You are, if you even if you are a student also, will give respect. Because of give respect, take respect. As we are educated person in the society, very, very important. You find out, see here, in my YouTube channel, whatever you needed, give me comment in my YouTube channel, comment. Okay, definitely, I will give you proper advice. Nothing to worry, okay? Right. And don't escalate your college name and don't escalate your any confidential things because of this is the public. Okay, public, I'm going to discuss. It should be professional and it should be disciplined. Okay, right. So, okay, Bangladesh. Okay, no problem. Because of this is a global related. I will give the proper information, definitely. Right, come on. It is visible right now. See here. This is my YouTube channel. See here. Here, these all things, all types of video available. See here. Okay. See. Because of tomorrow also, see here. My dear engagers, see here. Biomedical engineering related, very good platform. I'm going to conduct 1000 plus live sessions now. See here. And one more thing, see my YouTube channel, 12 million views reached. If you search also, you will get it. Because that much strength and power and support is received from the public. See here. This is the biomedical engineer, my cover, and Ganesh SBM special advisor. And you can see here, see here, more than, see, 11 lakhs more than, see, 11 millions more than going to reach 12 millions reach. Understand? I hope you got it. Because of for your knowledge purpose, see, okay, sure. Please help me. Okay. So every day try to engage live sessions. Definitely I will give you very clearly information. I will be back to support you as your senior. Okay. Right. See here. Now, so if you subscribe means then you subscribe and then notification also all button. Everybody listen. Okay. These are the very, very important because of every day I'm coming live sessions. You have to know you have to get the proper notifications because of why I am giving, because of you are doing qualifications, you are paying too much salary, too much fees. Okay. For fees purpose, that much knowledge is very, very important. Okay. And see, please give me comment in my live sessions. Otherwise in my YouTube channel like this, see here. My home page this here. This is the see here. Home videos and short videos and live videos and playlist and post see here. And videos see here. Individual videos also see here. See every equipment purpose, night duty. See every equipment purpose. Students see here. My dear Sarat Khan ji, see here. Rahat Khan, sorry. Okay, Rahat Khan ji, see here. After college, see here. After college, what to do? Full career guidance I have given. You can just once go to my channel. Everything, whatever needed, just go to my channel. Everything available. See here. These all things. My real-time hospital also available. And see these all types of videos are available, which is relevant to the professional language as a biomedical engineering. And different categories, different designations after every training time also I have explained. And come to this live sessions here. See what are the live sessions, upcoming sessions also. It is visible right now. See, because of I want to give the awareness. Very excellent field, biomedical engineering. Because of today I am leading top level category. I have hundreds of engineers and how much technology developed today I am come to know. I am getting high state level government of India. And see here. I hope you got it. See here. This is my YouTube channel. That is see. Basically, I am not a YouTuber. I'm focusing to awareness the society about the biomedical engineering because of as you see one time we face a COVID-19. Understand COVID-19 time how much we face the pandemic situations, how many types of problems we face in this society. So that's why if you have a proper knowledge about the medical equipment, then you can protect our health and we can protect our family. Okay, right? Come on, and we can perform our duty and we can get a high salary. See here. And upcoming live sessions, see here, these are the upcoming 18/7 next 17. These are the upcoming live sessions. And see, and the interaction time also, see the many important valid points. Understand? And resume also how to prepare and classification, see here. And see, X-ray missions today I have completed. And SDBM means special diploma in biomedical engineering. This purpose, see here. Hospital training 6 months, what to do, what not to do, what things and see here. And see, in biomedical engineering 3 years, 4 years, these all things I have explained very well. You can watch it here. See, okay. So these all things information. So my target is more than 1000 plus, and more engineers should come in the globally. Okay, globally. I hope you got it. Right. Give me comment whatever requirement. I will give you live sessions. Okay. Thank you so much. And subscribe my channel. Definitely I will be support right now. Okay. I hope you got it. This is my channel. You can search in my YouTube channel and you can share with your friends also. Without paying anything. No need. I no need anything money because of today I'm leading. I'm getting all things successfully. Successful career today. Okay. Right. Come on. Now what some important book read in biomedical engineering subject. Okay. Definitely. And for that book also, I will bring in my live sessions. I will show you how to read, what are the important points I'm going to read you, and I'm going to tell you. Okay. And see, please stay connected with my live sessions daily 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. in between. I will come. After done my duty, I'm leading as a state level operations manager in government of India. So under me, like lakhs of equipments and hundreds of engineers and non-technical technical staff we have. So top level categories I'm leading. That's why my advices, my experiences, definitely it is very very helpful in your life. Okay, right? Come on. So you will get in this way, right? I hope you got it. Come on, right? Fine. I'm going to stop this one presentation. Like in this way, you have to search it. Okay. A single session not possible to learn all things, and every day whatever you are learning, listen. Even your lecturers also may not concentrate this much. Thank you so much. Today successfully I have completed the what X-ray related radiology medical equipment complete guidance. Now see 9 o'clock I started. Now it is going to over 11:33. Understand? So that is see here my what I want to say indirectly. Dedication very very important. Until finish the problem, don't drop out. Okay, because of biomedical engineering is the excellent field. When you keep efforts in a possible way, definitely you will have a bright future. You can take me inspiration because of if you can search my profile also. I will be available in profile social media. Yes, how much top category I'm leading and what are the things practical way, because of these are the practical things, because of some crores of budget equipments in the society, medical equipment that much high. That's why as a human we should be awareness, we should be alert, and we should be a social responsibility by doing the job and doing the professionalities. After completion of a degrees, anything, we are going to get the jobs and professional life purpose only. Yes or no? Yes. So that is the reason what I am giving informations. Those are things very very important, very recommended, and the interview purpose and to get the job purpose, to maintain your life purpose. These are the very very important points. Okay. Thank you so much. And every time energetic, be positive, be honesty, and try to focus on your point, whatever you needed. Okay. Definitely, Ganesh sir. See, I'm your Ganesh sir. Definitely, I will be positive for everyone because I'm expecting from everyone positive way. And whoever engage my live sessions, definitely you should have a bright future. Okay, because of I'm giving my instructions at the same time, you have to take the instructions at the same time. You have to practice. If you are practicing well, definitely you will have a bright future in your life. It's my challenge, right? Thank you so much. Welcome back to my live sessions tomorrow, 9 p.m. with new topic. I will give you valid points. Thank you so much.